Oh my god. What's going on? Yo. That was super loud. Super loud. What's good? What's good, y'all? Yeah, so today we're gonna have to be a little loud because the background is noisy as usual. So, yeah, in order to compete, we just have to be a little more loud. Hello? Yo, Books. I just started the stream, bro, but you can see the way the background is fucked up as usual. Yeah, bro. At this point, I don't know, man. I think I'll just have to move on. I'm gonna try, bro, but it's not gonna help. It's all good. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah. All right, no problem. Thank you. All right, no problem. I just started the stream even. All right, cool. Yo, what's good, my brothers, man? We back. Today is day 35. Yeah, man. We're approaching day what? Day 50? It's crazy, man. How have you guys been, man? How have you guys been? I just spoke to my wife right now. My girlfriend, my baby. Yeah, feel me? Yeah, feel me, boys? Yep. Okay, just give me a second. Give me a sec, my brothers. Give me a sec. Yeah. Bro, you guys don't know, man. You guys don't know the pressure of like, I don't know. Just give me a sec. Okay, all right. Everything looks good. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna be working on today. Yeah, as you guys can see from the title, is updates day, bro. So I'm gonna update you guys on something. I'm just gonna update you guys on something. Just give me a sec. 100 times interview process. Huh. Okay. Web roadmap. Let's see, man, how the channel's been doing. Haven't even checked it in a while, bro. Yeah, okay, we're doing good, bro. It's not bad. We're doing good. We're doing great work. Let me see. Let's go on the channel. I just want to take this and then throw it to my boys on Discord, cause yeah, why not, man? So I'll build in a community, right? Bro, I'm sorry for starting the stream late today, bro. Yo, man, what's good? What's good, Depan Saul? What's good? How are you doing? Yeah, man, we're gonna have to be. You guys will have to bear with me today. We shall be a little loud. You feel me? Yeah. Let's just put this. Let me drop this. So, um, we're live now, boys. Remember me, the Pansal? I don't remember you. I don't remember. Yeah, bro, the channel has gone to the point where I'm forgetting my day ones. But I feel like you are here among the first people, right? I don't know exactly, but I remember you are here with me, like from the start. So you guys will have to deal with me just having to yell, because I'll have to compete with my surrounding, bro. It's super noisy, but it's cool though. We're discussing about what we should vibe code or not. Oh yeah, and because of you, we started vibe code and everything of recent. It's fine, so much people, right? Yeah, man, we've grown like crazy. Like man, I don't know if you noticed it, bro. We like, oh my god, we've been growing like nuts every single day, dog. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Yeah. So yeah, my day ones, I'll not forget them, but man, yeah, gotta remind me all the time, you know. All right, let's see CD into the server. So always support. Oh yeah, for sure, man. Thanks a lot, man. Yesterday I was actually working on something, bro. That was insane. Like it took us, I don't know how many days. Like if you've been watching the streams, I think you haven't been watching, but if you did, bro, like we've been struggling to integrate lemon squeezy. But thankfully, yesterday I was at the coffee store and I managed to get it done. So it's working now, but it's still on like demo mode, right? It's still on test mode. So for me to remove it out of test mode, I'll have to do some paperwork, and that's why I'm late though, because today we're starting the stream late because I had to go like to the ministry. I had some paperwork things to do, so company wise, but they told me to go on Monday. Yo, bro, thanks for the follow, man. We're going crazy on the stream, my brothers. So as you can see now, our buy button thing is now working. Like if you click this, yeah, and this is a custom product though. So we can click this. Okay, these addresses that need to be filled. We just pick my country, the country that I'm in. That's Rwanda. Postal code, I think it's like 0254, something like that. Um, you got a job? No, not yet, bro. Not yet. I didn't get a job. I didn't, but yeah, we haven't yet even started applying for jobs. So we shall apply for jobs soon. All right, this is working. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so it's working, and that's interesting. What else? Okay, this is our order. Now let's see what's going on. We can go to our lemon squeezy and check our dashboard. Let's see. Bro, you good at Python? No, not really, bro. And I'm not planning to like get good at it. I think I'll only learn Python for just like the interview things, like the DSA part. hmm So from this dashboard, you guys can see like it works though. It works on if it can work on test mode, then it can work on live mode. So that's it. I think the only difference is we have to now try to work around and see how we're gonna include subscription, right? Other Yeah, it was just sending me stuff. I was working on a bank project, thought we could collaborate. Oh, what is that? Like you got the back end for it? Oh, you want me to work on the back end? I could help with that for sure. I could work with that. Just tell me. I could work with that. For real, bro. Ayush, my boy, was good, man. Welcome to the stream, or welcome back to the stream, bro. All right, so this we had an order from this, and it's direct from our button, and this dynamic. But this one though, it just takes the actual product link and it just yeah. So let's assume, right? Let's try. Um, I was using OOP with Python. It's basically a bank that roasts you when your bank balance is low. It's a fun project. I can give you GitHub, and if you want, yeah, first send it to me. Let me see. Speaking of OOP, I don't really know so much object-oriented programming. Let me see. OOP. Is it there in Go though? Is it there in Go? Is it there in Go? Does Go have it? Let's check. Go. First of all, right? Let me open WS3 schools. Um, OOP in Python? Really? Okay, there's Go. Where's Go? I'm not seeing Golang here. SQL. Okay, there's Python here and Java. And Java is the one that is mostly OOP oriented, right? It's big on that. Let's see this. Django, Go. Alright, let's go here. Let's see. Ooh, so Go things are simple though. Constants. Alright. Import main. FMT. Conspice. This. Print that. Hmm. Yes, bro. I don't know if this one has OOP. I don't know because I'm planning to learn Go, but not not on stream though. I'm planning to actually learn Go. Let me see structs. I think structs are also in like C++, right? Short for structure. It's used to create a collection of members of different data types into a single variable, while arrays are used to store multiple values of the same data type into a single variable. Structs are used to store multiple values of different data types into a single variable. Structs can be useful for grouping data together to create records. Okay, like member 1 data type, member 2 data type, member 3 data type. OOP is a common concept in every programming language. For sure. I didn't even know that part. Pareg was good. I didn't even know that part, bro. I've been so used to JavaScript. And I don't know if I use OOP in JavaScript. I don't know. Because I feel like I think functions also part of OOP. I don't know. Object oriented programming. And what are the objects that are there? Is there objects? Yeah, there are objects in JavaScript though. Object oriented. I don't know. Type person struct text name string age int job string salary int and function main var person one. What now? Okay, what's this? What's person one? Variable person one it takes person, and then variable for person two it takes everything inside the person. Oh, so this person one can have a name, can have age, can have a job, can have a salary. And person two, yeah, this is actually interesting for this track thing. And I think this is part of object oriented. I don't know if this is true because this looks like, it looks like what in Java. I think it's more like constructors, inheritance. No, I think this is part of constructors. Constructors, yeah. I don't know where you say person dot name, then you put their name, person dot age, you put their age, you put this. This is like inheritance for sure. It inherits all the types that we defined in the mother. Let's say this is the parent class or the parent structure. So it inherits everything from the parent, and then you can add your own stuff. How's it? I don't know. Maybe, bro. This is actually good though. Okay, let's do it in Python so we can get it clearly, right? Where's Python? Just give me a sec. Python is here. Okay. Now, this is where we want to teach ourselves. It's super fun. Oh, for sure. Inheritance in Python. Okay. Allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Parent class is the class being inherited from. It's also called a base class. Child class is the class that inherits from another class, also called derived class. All right, I think this is what we said though. This is the same thing we just did in Go right now. Create a class named person with first name and last name properties and print method. Okay, so we have a class called person. Then what is this? I don't understand this. What's def in yo inheritance in Python? Yeah, bro. That's what we're doing today, bro. Don't mind me though. Don't mind because we're gradually going towards an interview prep, right? Because I feel like we've done most of the work. So if you are not here, my boy Prokan, OP right now is kind of hard to get used to. Yeah, Prokan, if you are not here, this is what we have achieved so far, my boy Prokan. Have a look at this, my boy Prokan. Have a look at this. So, this is what we have so far. Once you remember this thing, right? The stuff that you've been saying, like we've been taking forever on it. Basically, I can explain you. All animals can eat, sleep, and walk. A dog is a child class that inherits from a parent of animals. So the dog can eat, sleep, and walk. So also bark like a dog. Oh yeah, makes sense. A cat can do everything like an animal, and it can also mew as an extra. Yep, like I told you, though, we can inherit everything from the parent and have our own characteristics. Yeah, makes sense, right? Except polymorphism, though. Animal is a parent, and the dog in what? Animal is a parent, and the dog inherits from parents. Yeah, yeah. Facts makes sense. Makes sense, bro. I like that, man. Deep on Sol, my boy. You know what you guys should do, right? Because you guys gotta, let's say LinkedIn, you guys gotta push your boys LinkedIn, bro. You feel me? I need to get my LinkedIn connects high, because like when we start applying for jobs, we gotta look legit. So yeah, every single video, every single stream going forward, this is gonna be the first thing you guys have to do. If you're not following me or connecting with me on LinkedIn, you're not serious. You're not supporting me, dog. Yo, CD was good. Well, you said this different, so explained it pretty well. Well done. Yeah, for sure. He explained it in a proper way. That I couldn't do it, but I don't know, bro. Python it scares me when I see things like this. Now, what's this? In it, how do you define this fucking? How do you define this though? This is init. It takes self and then f name l name. What? Oh, the first name and the last name. All right, then self dot first name is equals to first name. What's going on here? For a project, you can do that. You can do that practice as inheritance runners. So maybe you can use what and make a show window. I mean, like I'm doing right now. I don't know. Like, here's the thing, right? Let's try to do this. We start from OOP. So let's try to understand the concept. Allows you to structure your code using classes and objects for better organization and reusability. Now, I think the best way that I would understand it is using Java, because Java is like it's like the goat of OOP. What do you guys think? Classes. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Almost everything in Python is an object with its properties and methods. A class like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. Okay. Hmm. Hi, what's up? Filthy, I think we can see what you're doing right now. What do you mean? What do you mean I can see what I'm doing? Oh, sorry. Sorry, my screen is stuck. Sorry, my screen is stuck, my boy. I'm sorry, man. Hold on. Y'all know my stuff is filled with a bunch of. Let's go to. Just give me a sec. Give me a sec. Let me just put it here so I can just fix this real quick. Yeah. Let me fix it real quick. I'm just fixing it in the background so you guys don't have to bother. All right, just keep typing. I can see your statements. Matrix of Wealth was good, my brother. How is everything? Everything is cool, man. We just chilling, bro. All right, delete. Delete. What's good, my boy? This shit get ugly. Bro, send LinkedIn. Let's flood it. Yeah, man. You guys gotta flood the LinkedIn, bro. We gotta look smarter than that. Y'all feel me, bro? Skis. Yeah, y'all feel me, bro? You guys gotta support your brother. I'm gonna send the link LinkedIn in a second. Yeah, just give me a second, guys. Okay, so we got this. Okay, for now though, I don't know if we really need Docker. For some reason, I doubt if we need Docker. Okay, let me remove WebStorm for now. Oh my god, let me see. Okay, I think that should do it now. Yeah, this should do it. Let me just remove all this Flutter stuff. Just give me a sec, guys. Okay. Hey Filthy, what's the time for you there? It's currently 5 p.m. It's not too dark, but yeah, it's 5 p.m. over here, bro. It's 5 p.m. over here, my broski. How about that side, bro? What's the time over there in India? It's like 3 hours ahead. It's like 8 p.m. that side. I guess it's 8 p.m. that side, bro. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. All right. I think we should be good now. Yep, we should be good now. All right. It's 9 p.m., bro. I still have homework. We're not in India. We're in SG. What is SG, bro? What is SG? Y'all should tell me, bro. Hold on. LinkedIn is here, my brother. Y'all seeing it on my screen? That's my LinkedIn, bro. You guys gotta go flood the LinkedIn, man. I need so many connections, bro. Can't even lie to you guys, bro. You get it? We need so many connections, man. These recruiters gotta know, like, man, we got clout on LinkedIn too. You feel me, bro? Yeah. You guys gotta flood the LinkedIn, dog. I wanna see your connections just harm. Do it now, my brothers. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's get it. Alright, I'm gonna pin the LinkedIn, bro. This today we're dealing with LinkedIn. Yeah, I gotta. I'm not your servant. Man, you're not. Of course, you're not my servant, my brother. You my brother, man. You get it? You helping your brother out. Don't make you a servant. Why you being weird, bro? Like, I feel like some people just want to get negative. We just starting the stream, bro. Like, you guys know, I'm always here for you guys, bro. It's not even just for me. It's for y'all because I love you guys, bro. So stop with the negativity, bro. Y'all go do it now. Go to LinkedIn. Singapore. Oh, okay. SG is Singapore. Alright. No wonder he's being negative, bro. He's from the dopest country. My dream is to go to Singapore, man. I love that country, bro. Yo, my G, I always tune in when you stream. Then why are you negative then? Go do it. Hit up the LinkedIn, my boy. Yeah, we gotta have the chat, man. We gotta have the chat. Matter of fact, gotta have the chat, man. We gotta do a little. Yeah, I should. LinkedIn, check it out, man. Oh, boys. I love you guys, bro. Like, you guys are the reason I stream every day, bro. I'm always happy and always wanna be on stream with y'all, bro. Y'all feel me, bro? Yeah. Bro, I'm not a good dancer though. I would have danced for y'all. I'm not a good dancer though. Alright. Yep. So let's see how our channel's going. W in the chat. Yeah. We got some W's going in the chat. Yep. Even even though it was kind of cringe. Take it, my bro. Alright, boy. Alright, man. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Yeah, man. You funny as hell, bro. What you mean is kind of cringe, nigga? It's not cringe, bro. Oh my god. Okay, so what's the init function? The example above are classes and objects in their simplest form and are not really useful in real life applications. To understand the meaning of classes, we have to understand the built-in init function. So what's the init function? All classes have a function called init, which always execute when the class is being initiated. Oh, okay. Use the init function to assign values to object properties or the operations that are necessary to when the object is being created. Okay. I can I can teach this guy at 14. Are you learning Python? It's a constructor. What is a constructor, my G? I'm confused, bro. I don't know nothing in fucking Python. Like, what is dictionaries? What the fuck are tuples? What is this? Tuples? 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 Yo. Yeah, man. We wanna get Python so that we can start. Let me see. I think I have PyCharm. Let me hope I didn't delete it. Yes, I think I still do have it. Oh, I have PyCharm, which is good, bro. We got a bit analyzer thing. It needs an update. Okay, let it just update and restart. Update. Which they are called dunder methods, which are underscore methods. Huh? Bro, how do you guys know this, bro? And how comes I don't know them? I've been coding in JavaScript. How comes I don't know them, bro? Okay, for define a function and then call it init. Then it takes self. Why does it need to take self? What's this self thing? Okay, it takes an argument called self and then takes the one that we need, which is name and then age. So self dot name is equals to name. Self dot age is equals to age. P1 person. John and 36. So print P1 and that. Okay, let's try it. Let me see if that works. Restart for OOP. Self is an instance of itself for OOP. Oh my god. Now you've even confused me like I'm now more confused than I started. Let's be slow with it, my brothers, okay? Let's be slow with it. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna jump into LeetCode, and then we're gonna try to do something in LeetCode. Yeah, LeetCode is gonna help us learn the syntax instead of having to deal with this. But we can keep this open though, so I'll have to sign in. I think I can sign in with my GitHub. Yeah, I don't want to deal with like Google stuff. Google will just take long. All right, this is just authorized once, and then that's it. Redirected. You're being redirected. Yeah, I think that should do it. Okay, so we fucking logged in. Then this one we can just continue with Google. All right, my boy. So let's see. Today we're cooking. Let's see what we're cooking today. Let's see what we're cooking on LinkedIn. All right, we have our progress. I can't even lie to y'all. It's embarrassing, but I take it. I take it. Hey, bro, this is the simplest number I've ever attempted on. Let me delete it, man. What a fact. Hold on. Can I delete everything? I think I can just select Python. Give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. Let me take it to JavaScript. All right, let me go with JavaScript. Now I can show you why this number is the simplest for me to attempt. Now we gotta start from a point. Now we all gotta start from a point. Yeah, for sure. So today officially we started LeetCode. I don't know why you guys hate on LeetCode. Yeah, I'm one of them, bro. But yeah, I don't really have anything to do. I'll just be doing LeetCode with you guys, and then I can build projects on my own. I think that will make more sense, right? I don't know, bro. I don't know what. Like, I think we shall just be interchanging LeetCode and at the same time also doing projects, and then so that we can just shorten the time we're going to start applying for jobs. Calling a function at a different time. Okay, so first of all, let me go to Python. Let me remove this W3 schools thing. Give me a sec. What the fuck going on here? Okay, I'm actually doing. Where is it? What the fuck? All of a sudden now I'm seeing different fucking stuff. Okay, man, excuse me, bro. I cuss a lot, man. Forgive me for that. Forgive me for that, my brothers. Okay, so we gotta go with Python. They have a fucking course? Oh my god, I just cussed again. No, I don't wanna do any course. I just want to study on my own. I think exercises. Wait, bro, how comes I can't see it no more? Yo, ChatGPT that I'm not your slave. Gotta hype that chat, man. Yeah, bro, the chat, man, the chat, they always feeling themselves like they're not my slave. They're saying they're not my slave. Y'all not my slaves, bro. Y'all my brothers, bro. What you meaning? You're annoying me, bro. All right, let's see, bro. I pray my video don't get taken down by what's going on my background. God, YouTube should understand. Damn. Like I always remind you guys, man. 3 months from here, I'm gonna be out of here. All right, so y'all shouldn't worry at all. Let me see. Oh, so we got DSA, we got arrays. Yo, this is crazy though. Yo, yo, this is actually nuts, bro. Hold on. We're looking for arrays. I think this question is in arrays. Concatenation of array. All right, let's go to DSA thing. Let's go to arrays. I think array concatenation. All right, bro. I could solve that question in 1 second, but I just want to understand something real quick. I think it's DSA arrays, right? I think concatenation of what? Of okay, that's array, not strings. Okay, an array is a data structure used to store multiple elements. Arrays are used by many algorithms. For example, an algorithm can be used to look through an array to find the lowest value, like the animation below. Oh, for sure, find the lowest. Huh. Okay. in pattern and array. So that's is looking for the lowest. I think the lowest is here already. You don't even need a fucking algorithm to tell you that. How are you, bro? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm good. So we got finding the lowest value in the array and time complexity. Wait, concatenation. Can we just look it up? Concatenation. 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 Is that oh my god, concatenation with E. Concatenation of array. Let's see. Let's look it up, my boys. Alright, JavaScript concat method. And that's the simplest one, right? NumPy joining array using stack function. Stack is on it. Okay, so let's see, bro, because I can solve this question in a second, right? I already know this question. It's like given an integer of array nums of length n, you want to create an array and of length 2n, where a this is equals to that. And all right, so how can we understand this question now? We're given an array of integer nums of length n. Now you want to create an array ans of length 2n. Okay, so ans of I ans this ans thing. Oh, so this is like 2 minus 1. I mean, this is like n minus 1, right? It gives you this. Huh? Bro, somebody should help me with this simple question, bro, because this is like, hold on, give me a sec. We got an array nums of length n. You want to create. All right, let's see, bro. I think I have a problem here. Wait, finding the word. Which one? Which one should we start with? Because these are the ones I already attempted, bro. All right, filthy man. Okay, no worries. See ya. So I don't know, bro. I don't know if we should continue doing LeetCode or we should fucking finish with the project. I don't know. I feel like we can finish with the project for now, and then I'll do the DSA in the next video, hopefully. What do you guys think, bro? So, bro, Ahmed, man, real Ahmed, the thing is working now, bro. When we click, it opens lemon squeezy stuff. You can see we can buy this product a couple of times, and you can see it's checkout/custom is a custom one. So we can select to pay this, and our money here will increase from 50k to go to 60k. Let's try to buy. So it is working now. The only thing we left it is just trying to also introduce. Just give me a sec. All right. So 0, 2, 4, 5, something like that. 0. Okay. Let's just pick anything. Okay. So let's save this. Hopefully, let's see. It's going to process. And then, come on, bro. Come on. Bro, alright. Woohoo! Your payment was successful. Alright, if we continue, so that means now our everything is working. And if we refresh this, it should go to 60k. It should update to 60k. Yep, it's not working, bro. Yeah, it's working now. You can tell it's working. Bro, after blood, sweat, and tears, like 3 days, bro, I suffered on this stuff. But it's working though, it's working. It's working, bro. So the only thing I'm left with right now is to introduce to introduce, how do I call it, subscription, right? So we're gonna have to just give me a second here. But I'm too lazy, bro. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna say we need to just create this is a checkout page and this is a thank you page. So we need to redirect somebody that buys from us. We need to redirect them to thank you page, right? After purchase. So comes first. Let's see. Where's the redirect URL? I think it's in the back end, right? Let's see the SRC. See the controllers, and this is a purchase controller. Can we check the documentation? Let's check their docs. Let's go to settings, API. The grind pays, yeah, for real, it does, man, it does. Like, do you know in 4 months the amount of stuff I've learned, bro, is insane. All right, let's say redirect. Let's say redirect URL. Let's just ask like that. Taking payments. Okay, so learn how to integrate Squeezy checkout system in your app or product from creating checkout URLs or handling post-purchase processes. So this is post-purchase processes. This is what we gotta deal with now. Integrating with Lemon Squeezy involves two keys steps: directing customers to a checkout page and then capturing and storing customer and order data in your system once the payment is processed. Ooh, that's what we need. Here's a checkout URL, right? For the product and variant in the LMSQ store, you can generate unique checkout URLs. Let's consider an example. Imagine you have this subscription product with two variants, a monthly and an annual. Each variant will have its own distinct checkout URL. You direct customers to the appropriate URL to complete the purchase. So it will be the store, lemon squeezy, checkout /buy, and then variant ID. When creating a checkout URL, you can specify whether you want to use a hosted checkout, which loads a checkout in a browser window, or checkout overlay. I like the hosted checkout, bro. That keeps the experience more streamlined. No. The browser window makes more sense. When a customer opens a URL in your browser, is converted into a cart URL. The URL contains checkouts. Cart URL is unique to that customer and single use only. Oh, that's interesting though. Okay, always share the original checkout URL with checkout /buy, not the converted cart URL. How to create checkouts? Then this is what you need. Creating checkouts on the Lemon Squeezy dashboard. This is what we have. Creating checkout using the Lemon Squeezy API. Okay, the second way is to create a checkout URLs using checkouts API endpoint. By using our API, you can create checkouts on demand and with more flexibility. Okay, to create a checkout with the API, send a post request to your desired configuration. You have the same options as in the share product panel plus a range of customization options, which is interesting to us though, because now the customization is what we're going to use. Let's say we have our own product that we want to sell, so we're going to customize it in our own style, right? The most basic request contains required relationship to the store and variant. Create a checkout for specific variant. So this is going to create data. The type will be checkouts, relationship is store, and then data will be type stores, ID is here, and then the variant, and then data. Bro, like, oh my god, bro. The response to this checkout, to this request is a checkout object. Oh, so the response is an object. Let me see. Then the data dot attributes dot URL in the response is the unique URL for your. Okay, now let's see. We want to host is default generated from your dashboard. Option displays a checkout over your existing website for application, keeping customers on your page. Bro, which one is better, bro, guys? Y'all think we should consider this one? Let me look at it. Let me look at the checkout overlay. A checkout overlay is seamless pop-up allowing users to purchase products without leaving your website. Instead of using the hosted checkout, you can utilize the checkout overlay, a modal pop-up that can seamlessly integrate into your website, including WordPress, Webflow, whatever. Sell your products and use it without users leaving your website. You can also toggle on and off features from store logo, product. Which one is better, y'all? I think this one looks kind of good to me. Product description, discount code, copy and paste the HTML embedded into buy link to your website. Okay, for React, With a JavaScript framework, the overlay works by embedding a JavaScript lemon.js file into your website. Upon loading, the script automatically initializes to detect clicks on lemon squeezy button elements. Mm. For your components rendered in such cases manually, call the window.createLemon method after the component has mounted. See how they do that. Oh my god, like view is almost the same. This guy is unmounted, this happens, and then it's almost the same thing though. Okay. Alright, now let's see redirect URL. Prefill customer information, you can pre-populate. Okay, no worries. Let's look for, let me look for expiring checkout URL. Okay, this is after the checkout. The checkout is service and the only important thing of a purchase for your customers. The confirmation model and then redirects. This is what we've been looking for. Can you open subtitle? Which subtitle? I'm confused. What do you mean by subtitle? You're not understanding me. For real? How you don't understand me, bro? I don't know. I don't know. What do you mean by that? If you're integrating LemonSqueeze into your app, maybe you want to redirect the user to their billing page or a custom web page after purchase. By default, the button in the confirmation will take users to My Orders page. Can you open subtitle? I don't know. First try. I'm not sure. Try. You can change the button's URL by changing the button link. What? You can change the button's URL by changing the button link option in the confirmation model settings. For real? Oh, a button link. Let's go to our store. Just give me a second. I think it's here products. Let's see button link. I think we edit, and then it's here links. Oh, so this is the link after the purchase, I guess. Okay. We can also disable this. We can also add our own custom confirmation model, which is dope, bro. This is too good, dog. This is too good, bro. I feel like Lemon Squeeze is just too good, dog. You can even add your own email script. I mean receipt or whatever, or receipt, the way you call it. Let's continue checking that docs out. Let's see. And if you're creating checkouts with the API, simply add product options.redirect URL in your request to change the buttons link. Okay. Inside the attributes, we need product option. We're gonna create an object and we call it redirect URL. It's gonna take the redirect URL. So we're gonna redirect them now to our thank you page. So let's just do that. All right. Let's go to our application. Okay. So this is where we're sending. This is the relationships. It's under attributes, right? I think it's under attributes. Yep. Inside the attributes, actually, not under the attributes. Inside the attributes, we're gonna create our own object called product options, and then we're gonna have redirect URL. That's interesting. So inside here, we're gonna have product what? Product options, and we're gonna create an object for it. Then we're gonna create redirect URL. I think it's URLs. I don't know if it's plural, but redirect URL, it can just be any URL of our choice, right? So I want us to redirect them to HTTP what? HTTP. Okay, let's copy this. So it's gonna have this, and then we're gonna have slash thank you page. I think thank you. Oh, it's thank you. Let me see according to what we have here. Thank you. All right, I think this should be it. And then we just boom. I think that should be good to go. Let's try it out. All right. Let's see. Let's just refresh this. Then let's click redirect. Okay, we have an issue. Okay, let me check. I think it's in the okay here injecting must be an array. Oh, what did we do? Hold on, give me a sec. Oh, what should be an array here? I'm confused because I think we followed the same exact thing though. Man, lemon squeezy, they should find a way of just turning this into something. Let's see. We got product options, redirect URL, HTTP, whatever we are taking them. Hmm. Mm, I don't know, bro. For some reason, I feel like it's correct. What did we mess? Redirect URL, not URLs. It's actually supposed to be URL. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. And mistakes like this, bro, they really count, bro. They literally count. Let's do it one more time. Let's do this. And let's click. Hopefully we don't have another problem. Yeah, we don't have a problem. So let's check what we have. Give me a sec, guys. Our store we have right now is 60K. If we come here and say let's say Rwanda with R. Okay, I'm just gonna select anything, bro. One. Okay, let's just use that. I think it will work. Okay, let's test it. Processing. Give it a second. It should give us. Oh my god, why does it take long like that? Order processing or whatever. Okay, now it's going to redirect us to thank you. Have you guys seen that? We are now in thank you page. Thanks for the purchase, man. Greatly appreciated. This is actually nuts, dog. Oh my god. This is something good, bro. That's something great, bro. So I feel like documentation can always help, bro. Can't even lie to y'all. Alright, let's see. If you want a button URL, the customer will see a continue button instead of the default view order button if you customize. Okay, let's see with the code. If you achieve the same result with the code by adding attributes to the options, go to your account, receipt link URL. It should take you to the dashboard. But I don't know. I think I like what I see here. View order makes sense, and the receipt and all that. I don't really care about that. I just wanted the redirect URL. Now for subscriptions, this is where we're going to like really pay so much, give it so much time. Hello, yo, what's good, bro? Oh, you greeting, you greeting Prokan. Prokan is off. He just left right now. I think he had some homework to do. He'll come back. It's important that you store LemonSqueezy data in your own database so that you can easily reference objects later and use the API to get more details. Check out and subscription data in your database. And that's what we want to do though. Yo, Filthy, what's good, my brother? Ashintia, that name of yours is hard. Okay, so for your orders, you can listen for order created webhooks or use the data returned in lemon.js. Check out the success event, store the order ID from order objects to be able to make future requests for orders in the API. Oh my god, bro. For subscriptions, we could listen for subscription created and subscription. Okay, we could actually include the webhooks, right? Because right now, our application doesn't know that, hey, we made somebody bought something from your application using Lemon Squeezy. Right here, we're getting a redirect URL because it's just a single button. But let's say we have a subscription page, right? Let's say we want to create /subscription. Localhost 3000 /subscription. Say we want to create that. So that page doesn't exist. Let's create that page real quick. Oh my god. So let's go here and then let's just create subscription. Matter of fact, can we call it subscriptions? Or let's just call it subscription for now. We could call it subscriptions page. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna call it subscription for now. And I'm just gonna give it a page.tsx. And I'm just gonna say I'm gonna let AI complete the subscription page. I'll just say a complete a subscription page UI. I will do the backend logic myself. All right, let's see how it's gonna do that. What does a Shinto mean in your language? What are you doing, party? Party? No. What? I don't even know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm not really concerned, bro. I feel like, yeah, bro. Anybody can do whatever the fuck they want, bro. It's none of my business. Yeah, it's just like, man, it's just getting to me. Y'all feel what I'm saying? It's annoying though, cause nobody deserves this, bro. But you get it. This is what you gotta go through. It is what it is, though. So we have subscribe to Pro plan, unlock premium features. So we need only one subscribe thing, cause yeah, that's what we need, right? We have a single button already. What's this? Why do we have another page? Why do we have two pages? Okay, not bad. We can go to thank you page and then go to subscription page and then the thank you. Okay, that's a thank you page. Then on the home page, right? Just give me a sec. Give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna close this off. On the home page here, we're just gonna go to home page. Okay, we're just gonna say button to. Okay, let's just create a low. Let's create a button. Man, sometimes I just don't understand people, bro. Like you can't even blame them though. So let's say go to subscription. Subscription. That's why y'all gotta subscribe, bro. You guys feel me? Go to subscriptions page. And once we get this application live, bro, yeah, this we're gonna go crazy. All right, so this should be go to subscriptions, and let's just create that. Let's say cons. First, we need to say router is equals to use router from next, and then from there we usually define a function that's not a function. Okay, we're just gonna say homepage. Okay, that should solve that problem. Then from there we're just gonna say cons. We could actually say router, but we need to use that though, right? Let's create a low function that will hold what we want to do right now. So let's say subscriptions page is equals to, we just create a simple say here router dot push, right, router dot push, and it should take us a slash what subscriptions subscription, I think is one subscription. And then we can just take this and then go inside this, say on click, it should just call subscription page. Now that should do it. Let me see, backend still running good. So let's see how everything is now looking like. Let's clear this. Router was not mounted. Oh, okay, I understand. We have to do this. Just give me a sec, guys. Okay. Let's take these and yeah. So what hopefully is now going to work, bro. Let's see. Wait, that means what? How is it? How wasn't it mounted, bro? If somebody knows the reason, just help me out. Cause what the fuck? Okay, let's see. Let's refresh. It should work. Oh, what's the actual issue, bro? Are you using mobile internet or Wi-Fi? Here in India, we have 5G. Yeah, we have 5G too or version, but I'm not using. I'm using Yo, Carl Lover was good. How you doing? I'm actually using what? I'm using fiber. I'm using optic fiber. Um, yeah. So let's see subscription page. What could be the issue, dog? I feel like the issue is not. Wait. Okay, use router from what? From use router. It's supposed to be from next navigation, bro. My bad. Yo, we brought in the different one. Use router from next navigation. Yeah, now it should work. It should work. Hopefully it should work. Okay, now it works. It works. Yeah, mine is 100 Mbps, bro. That's crazy. How did you know, boy? Okay, yeah, is this one pushes us to that page. Nice. Okay, you guys shouldn't mind this, bro. Like this looks so. Matter of fact, I think it looks so fucking local. I'm just gonna give it to AI. Let me say, hey, make this page pretty. Make it professional, and simple. All right, bro. I don't want to do too much. I just wanted to correct this homepage because I don't want to keep seeing the way it looks. Let it just make this homepage clean. Okay, it's going to clean that. Bro, which page did it work on? Wait, hopefully it did not change the subscription page though. I don't know. Like, I didn't want this. I didn't want anything to do with this, dog. I can't even lie to you. I uh, I don't know. I think it looks good, but I don't know. I mean this page. I mean this page that I'm at now. The homepage. Let it make the homepage look good, just. Yeah, man. How are you guys having like unlimited 5G, bro? That's crazy. Like to think about it. It's nuts. Okay, it has created everything. Hopefully it looks good now. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so we have view subscription by product. So what if we view subscription, then we see that. Then if we buy product and then it redirects us to there. But for some reason it only included that, and I'm not happy with what we got. Let's give me a sec. Give me a sec. For some reason, it literally just because I wanted to take. Hold on, let me take it back. Reject. Let me reject this, and let me remove this button. Right. Click to buy. Where's the one with the checkout URL? I want to take it off. Wait. Open URL. Daddy bucket. Okay, I want to remove this one. I want to remove this checkout URL. And what was in the buy button? Okay, I think this should be out though, because we have everything here. This is the checkout page, and okay. So for some reason we have something here in the components. Oh, the checkout page is here actually. Okay, so for some reason I just need a low button. I just need a button here instead of bringing this entire thing, right? And then I need a button that can just redirect us to the checkout page. I think that should make sense. I think that should make sense. So here I'm just gonna have another button, and I'm just gonna call it one-time purchase, right? So I'm just gonna call it one-time purchase. Oh, we're just gonna say purchase, buy once, or buy once. Okay, let's just call it buy once, and then this one, subscription page. Go to subscription page. All right, we're gonna have something like this, and then we're just gonna bring this one like this, so we can have. I'm gonna call this subscription buy or checkout page. Let's just say checkout. Let's just call that checkout page, and then it's gonna be slash checkout. Hopefully it's correct, right? If we just take this and give it an on click. Oh my god, I don't play, bro. On click, and we drop that in. It should work. It should work. All right, so this is buy once. It should redirect us to buy now. Wait, I'm confused. We have buy now again, and then yeah, I don't know, for some reason I'm not feeling this workflow. Why do we have to click buy once and then it takes us to so I feel like I need to change this to like checkout page, right? Go to checkout page. All right, that should make more sense. I'm just gonna say go to checkout checkout page, right? It should be something like that. Go to checkout page. All right, then I'm just gonna say make this page pretty now. All right, we should give it context. Homepage. Okay, let's see now. Let's see how it's gonna make everything look good. This is just so that we can have like a good visual representation, right? But the next thing we're gonna do is just to make sure subscription works, and then we can go ahead and do other things. Because if you guys know, yesterday we had a whole breakdown of what our architecture is gonna be, and we agreed on. Not agreed. It's not like I asked for your opinion, but yeah, I agreed with going with the microservice architecture, which is like the event-driven architecture, and therefore everything will be divided into small microservices that can operate by themselves, right? You understand? So let's say the user service. I said I was gonna work yesterday on JWT, but I didn't get the time, so I didn't touch it. But I'll probably do it today. The JWT thing. And then if I won't do it on my own, then I'll just use some other like better auth is gonna handle the authentication for me, and then I'll just have to serve all my users in my own database, other than using Clock, because Clock almost all my not even almost all my users are locked to their database, and I have to use webhooks to store people, and like I don't like that workflow. So we're gonna have bit service functionality. This one is already working. The bit service is already working, but except we're not using Python for this service. So let's say payment service is what we're working on right now. You guys don't realize that we're actually working on the application indirectly. So payment service is what we're working on, but you guys don't know that I'm going to implement it on my application. I'm just doing it with our own stream so I can also teach myself. So we have the payment service, as you can see, payment processors. Instead of Stripe here, we're just using Lemon Squeezy. We could update it even, but I just kept it like that. Okay, we have PostgreSQL for payment records, right? So every service has its own database. That's the thing that we're going with. So streaming service, that's S3 and stuff. We shall do that. So yeah, I just brought it up so you guys can know like what we are working on and why we are stressing ourselves with this, right? So we have this. Go to checkout, go to subscription. All right, go to checkout. It takes us to checkout. Go to subscription, take us to subscription. Go to checkout, and you need to buy now. I think buy now should take us to checkout. I don't know. I'm just gonna say go to checkout, and then this checkout page, and we gotta buy now. All right, let's go inside the checkout page, and inside the checkout, let's just give this like a low, like let's give it class flex main screen item center justify center. Yeah, that should make it look good. All right, that should bring it here. So if we go to this, go to checkout, brings us here, and then go to subscriptions, brings us to the subscription. Interesting. So now our application is looking good. So let's go to subscription. Now once we click subscribe, it should literally bring for us subscription, right? So let's refresh these. It's now like 70K, I guess. The money is going up. Imagine when we go live and we have like 10 orders worth $25. That's like how much? A lot of money, right? Crazy. Hmm. But for some reason I'm thinking hold on. Let me say currency. Let me try to see. Let's go to currencies. I want to find out how they're going to handle that, because let's say I want my users to pay in dollars. I don't want them to pay in my local currency, right? So let's see. Allows you to sell products in 130 currencies. Lemon Squeezy allows you to sell products in different currencies. The currency you choose for your store, which can be changed from settings, generally will be used throughout the Lemon Squeezy dashboard. Although we display your products in one of the many currencies we offer, ultimately we charge your customers the equivalent cost in USD. Woohoo! That's nice. We do this using real-time mid market exchange rate to convert purchases to USD for processing. We do not charge any additional fees for conversion. If you set up bank payouts, you can select payout currency. We recommend this matches your bank account. If you select a currency other than your USD, or payout processor will convert the payout amount to your selected currency using the mid. Okay, all right. It's not bad, but for some reason I want to change. I want to use dollars, bro, for now. So let's say I don't know, because let's say people buy from me, right? Will they have to change their own stuff to their own money? Yo, Mabior Qual, what's good, my brother? How you doing? I hope you're good, bro. Yeah, I'm a South Sudanese, bro. I'm a Shuluk man. You asked me yesterday on I saw your comment and stuff. So yeah, I'm from South Sudan, man. You can tell. Yo, brother from Upper Nile. Yeah, although we display our products in many currencies, I think I did that part. Let me see what next I gotta deal with. Just give me a sec. All right, so sales tax and VAT, value added tax. Oh my god, bro, my background is going nuts, my brother. See, I gotta deal with it for now, bro. I apologize, man. That's crazy. All right, let's see for the taxes, VAT, and then the total tax net profit will be like 13. Oh, not bad. Bro, what the fuck, man? Why would people decide to shout like this, bro? God. Alright, so I think that should make sense. Now let me just make a quick check on ChatGPT. Yeah, just give me a sec. Let me let me say I set my store to use Rwandan francs for Rwanda, and users are from different countries. Will I have to set the products in USD? Let's see. I'm doing well, bro. Thought you were Nubian. Nah, I'm not Nubian, bro. What made you think so, bro? Like, come on, bro. I don't know if you just like, come on, bro. Do I look like a Nubian dog? Nah, I'm a Shuluk man. Shuluk man. Yeah, but thanks though. Thanks for tapping into the stream, my boy. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, man. You guys, y'all gotta welcome my brother, my Bior Kwal. He's my brother from South Sudan. I think these are like the two people from South Sudan now. There's Parek and then there's this dude. Yeah, that's interesting, bro. You welcome to the stream, G. They're doing ganj. I don't. Bro, you so stubborn for that, man, Chris, bro. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm not sure, man. Great questions. How is it going to work depending on how your store handles currency, especially on platform like Lemon Squeezy? If you set your store currency to Rwandan francs, all your products prices must be entered in Rwandan francs. Customers will see prices even though they're in another country. Their bank provider will convert this to their local currency, which may include exchange rates. Foreign transaction fees depends on their card or bank. If you want prices in USD instead more universal, you must set your store currency USD, then enter your prices in USD. Most global users are used to seeing prices in USD, especially their digital products. Recommendation for you if you're in Rwanda on global users. Selling only in Rwanda, this is okay. Selling worldwide, most buyers use USD. Avoid foreign fees for many. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. You can set the store currency in store settings. Okay, that becomes the base currency. All product prices are entered in that currency. So I think that stops us from having to deal with like these decimal points and stuff. So let me go to settings. I'm going to store. I think we can find a way to change it here. Cause Nubians of Egypt. Oh yeah, I know the Nubians of Egypt are dark skinned. That's true. That's very true, bro. But I left Egypt some time back. I was in Egypt too, dog. I was in Egypt. Egypt was so good. But I left it. I'm in Rwanda currently, bro. Alright, let's see. How we gonna change that? How we gonna change the currency though? Payment fees. I think this makes sense. So these guys will take 5% plus 50 cents every transaction. I don't mind, bro. They can have my money, dog, because they're doing a great job. Yeah, I mean, they're doing a great job, so I don't mind really. I don't know how we're gonna change this. Alright, so my store, let's see. For some reason, let's check my account. Let me see how we're gonna change that. Mm, all right. So I just can't find to see. I mean, hold on, bro. What's going on? That's my store. Okay, it's not yet activated. All right, not bad. Let me see. Account. So I think for some reason I can see my current, right? So let's see. Okay, let's change it. And lemon squeezy from France to USD. I think that should do it. Yo, hi dude, I'm back. Yo, smooth operator, what's good, man? I told you in the US because YouTube says you're best in there. Yeah, oh my god, no. Man, I came to Rwanda, bro. Yeah, I'm in Rwanda currently, my boy. Yeah, I'm not in the US now. Bro, why do people just assume I'm in the US, bro? Yeah, for sure. I'm not in the US. But I'll probably go there after I graduate though. Probably go there after school. I'm here for uni, dog. It's cheaper here, bro. Let me tell you, in the US you're gonna be paying 24,000 dollars, dog. 24,000 for a fucking degree, bro. Like that shit don't make sense. Yeah. It's in my for sure. It's on my YouTube bio. That's true. That's true. Yeah, but I'm currently based in Rwanda. I'm in Rwanda currently. I log in into the account, and then on the sidebar store settings and navigate to the payments tab. I I think I get it. So we gotta navigate to what? Store section. For some reason, I don't know if it's just my eyes. I think I'm just fried right now, my boys. I'm literally fried. Let's go to the payouts. Did you say payouts? Okay. Payouts and this our bank account though. We got our bank account info. Is hidden. It's hidden. Alright. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do about this? Alright, let's see. How's Ronda, man? How does it sound like? Oh my god, bro. No. It's better. It's better than South Sudan. Like when it comes to like development wise, it's not like that developed. Like it's crazy developed, like Dubai or the US or something. But if you compare to South Sudan and maybe Uganda, yeah, I'd say it's close. It's close to like Kenya, but it's cleaner, like the cleaner version of Kenya, if that makes sense. Yeah, man, Rwanda is cool, bro. It's a bunch of South Sudanese. I see a lot of them, bro. A bunch of them. Yeah, so I'd say I don't know where you at though right now. Are you in South Sudan, my boy? That was smooth operator. That was good, my brother. Alright, let's see navigate to the payments tab. I think I just did a store currency. Alright, payments tab, store settings. Alright, I just can't read properly. Saying give me a sec. Store setting, then we'll go to payments. I think we're in the store though. So this is supposed to be what? Plans? Bills? Hmm. Somebody should help me out, dog. Alright, we got store, we got payouts. I think the payout thing is I don't know, bruh. Okay, because our bank is in like London, France, so for some reason it's gonna be in London, France. I don't know. Um, I don't know, but I think they will consider that because my bank is in London, France. Is that it? Store currency change in London, France USD. I can't find that, bro. On the side left bar, on the side bar, on the left side bar, go to store settings, navigate to the payments tab. All right, man. I think we're not gonna waste time on that for sure. Now I'm grooving in Australia. My boy, he was in Australia, man. I got a bunch of friends there, bro. I have my friend in Australia. My friends actually. OM, yeah, as well. Yo, what's up? What's good, bro? What's good? How is Sydney, bro? Are you in Sydney? Are you in Perth? Are you in fucking which other town do I know in Australia? Aussie is too good, bro. I think you guys are clapping white thoughts there. It's a bunch of white ladies over there, bro. They like clapping black niggas. Yo, Mandy was good. Yeah, it's mostly Western country with the most Sudanese. I mean Melbourne. Ah, you're in Melbourne. I love Melbourne to the point where I have a whole email that is written. Look, let me show you. My email is called Melbourne Vulture, bro. Would you look at that, bro? Would you look at that? I literally like that place, Melbourne, and I'm about to come to Australia, bro. Yeah, I should. I don't know, bro. I think I do have my friend over there. Let me look him up in a second. Just give me a sec, bro. Yeah, I know this my WhatsApp. I got my fiance. I got everything there. All right, let me look for what's his name? I think it's called Busy. Yeah, it's called Busy. I think this is the dude, bro. Yeah, this is the dude. Yeah, this is Aussie number, right? If I'm not mistaken, bro. That is that's a number for Aussie. This dude is in he's in Sydney, I guess. One of the two. And I think that was who's the latest artist that some artists went there of recent, right? Yeah, I had some artists. I think that was Drake. I think that was Drake. Yeah, other numbers from us. Yeah, for sure. He's here. My neighbor. What? Yo, what the fuck? Who's this? They use it near my friend. What? He's in Australia too, near Melbourne. Huh? Hey, bro, came from attendance as always. Came from attendance. My brother said he came for his attendance. Oh my god, bro. Nah, bro, you guys are going crazy, bro. Like, nah, bro, you guys always make my day, bro. What you mean you came for attendance, dog? This shit funny as fuck, bro. Alright, I think this is where we can change the currency. Alright, these guys, why did they hide it like that? Let's change it to the USD, dog. What the fuck is USD at? Hmm. For some reason, they got UGX, Uganda shillings. Wow. Alright, that should make sense. I think we got that already in place. And verify your identity in review. Alright, man, fuck all that shit. We're expressing extremely high volume of this. Okay, they've been acquired by Stripe. That makes sense. So let's go to USD. What the fuck? This is a bunch. It's a lot of money, dog. How can we remove this? Um, how can we remove this? Just give me a second. I want to refresh that amount because I want us to start from scratch again. So how can we refresh the amount in the dashboard so it shows zero? Yeah. Okay. I mean, oh my god, I can't even type, dog. Zero. I mean, for the sandbox account. Sandbox account. LS. Lemon squeeze. Yo, Verma was good, bro. Remember me or not? Oh yeah, I remember you, man. Shiv Tej. I always spoil your name, bro. Your name is like Shiv Tej. Oh, I would just call you Tej, bro. I'm not gonna pronounce all that. Yeah, Drake was here earlier this year, but cancel some shows. Yeah, for sure. He's a YouTuber too with like millions of subscribers. Oh, for sure. Damn, Mandy, bro, that's crazy. Verma was good, man. Drew Verma. Smooth operator. Today we have Mabior Core versus Mandip. Any guess who's gonna win? I don't know, bro. Who's gonna win and what? Like this dude, they be on some wrestling type shit. Like you feel me? They put y'all on like some UFC type shit. Like y'all gotta punch, like y'all gotta throw hands. And if you beat somebody, then you win. But that literal beating, you feel me? But I don't know, bro. This dude's got some shit going on. Yeah, I'm so lost, bro. I don't know what you're referring to. I think I just explained it to you, my G. There be on some shit in the chat, man. Got it. You're using Lemon Squeezy Sandbox and want to refresh or reset the revenue earnings. There's no official reset button to zero our dashboard and send, but there are options. Go to Lemon Squeezy, click your profile, top right, create new store. Then something like Data Bucket, Test V2, use USD as a currency or whatever you want. Switch to the store while testing. Can toggle stores easily. Alright, I think that's what we need, bro. We need to just create a new store, and yeah, we're just gonna call this time filter wave. Yeah, we're gonna call this filter wave because I need to use this name as like my name, bro. We're just gonna country can be where you or your business legally registered, where your bank account is. It should be Rwanda, bro. Um, can we just try to credit? I don't know. Let's just try to credit. Filthy wave. All right, we gotta verify our identity, activate our store, and all this BS. We're not gonna create. We're not gonna activate the store. We're just gonna have home. Wait. All right. So why does it start with Okay, let's go to our store. Somebody said I'm a developer, by the way, so nobody love biggest procrastinator alive. But but so nobody, yeah, man. Like I feel like procrastination is just part of the game, boy. You're not gonna escape it, bro. I feel like the more you procrastinate, the better you get. It don't add up, but it works though. It works for me, my boy. So I'd say this, bro. You should just be more consistent. You feel me? Like that's the only thing that you're gonna be. Hold on, just give me a sec. I feel like the more you procrastinate, bro, the less results you achieve. So I don't know if you want it that bad, because it just depends, bro. Some people don't want it that bad, man. Some people are too comfortable in life. But if you want it that bad, you wouldn't give it a chance, bro. But sometimes, man, life happens, bro. Like, you feel me? Who am I to judge, dog? Right? Okay, we said, yeah, life happens sometimes. Okay, add your account. Alright, I'm not gonna do that, bro. Like, jeez, I'm just gonna take it back to London, France for now. But when we go live, I'll try to change it to USD, I guess. Oh my god. This is why I need a US based account, bro. Cause this is BS, bro. I don't want to deal with this shit, dog. So if I delete, right? If I delete this, why doesn't it reset everything though? This should be all products, test product. Okay, let's just call it all products. I'm more into iOS development. Yo, oh my boy, you doing iOS? And how is the market that side of Aussie, man? How is the market in Aussie? You think y'all got like is easier to get a job that side? Cause man, I'm planning to start applying for jobs soon. So why are people noisy like this, dog? What the fuck? Why are the people so fucking noisy, dog? Shit pissing me off. Is it easier to get a job that side, bro? Or some people are just naturally stupid, bro. Yeah, so easy if you're talented, of course, for sure. Nah, brother, yeah, yeah, shouldn't make me spam jobs that side, dog. Cause I swear to God, I love Aussie, dog. If anything, I might consider going that side, bro. Can't even lie. I can't lie. I won't lie. Shit, I can't lie, but I won't lie. But if I did, I'ma waste my time. Shit, you call it shit, but I'm a real online. Yeah, I'm so real, no lie. Call me, but I don't know my name, I know a deal, no style shit. Call him on my shit, but I don't read, no doubt. She call me, I put a game, no doubt. Yeah, man. Bro, I feel sometimes in Asian families, people do shout as a. Oh my god. I gotta speed bars, bro. I'm speeding bars, bro. I'm pissed off, man. Like man, it's just funny how like people just want to do something to inconvenience another, bro. Like we are humans, dog. I wouldn't want to do something to inconvenience you. You feel me? It's like, man, I'm just acting like a fool if I do that. But it is what it is, though. I'm not gonna dictate how people should do this shit. All I'm gonna do is get my money up and get the fuck out of here, dog. I think that's it. All right, so I think I don't know if I have corrected this. Just give me a sec. Give me a sec. This shit still shows. For some reason, it still shows the store as USD. So I want to change this shit, bro, because I want to make it super realistic. Y'all feel me? Because this is what I'll show the employers. We expense. Okay, that makes sense. Yo, so bro, is Stripe working in Aussie? I think yeah, Stripe should be working in Aussie, bro. Stripe should be working like literally. If you're doing iOS, then that's good, bro. Cause I also yo smooth operator was good. I'm here for 5 minutes. Yeah, man, Procan, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Don't be on that weird shit, bro. What you mean you're here for 5 minutes, dog? What you mean you're here for 5 minutes? Let's say lemon squeezy. Man, I'm gonna be applying for jobs in Aussie soon, bro. And then we gotta just finish with the application, bro. I don't wanna be doing this mediocre stuff time and again. Bro, it hasn't changed a tiny bit, bro. It did, but it didn't change. So for some reason, okay, this show's running France and shit. Let's go to this store. I think it's available as a POS2. Oh, for sure. For real? Okay, let me check. Is let me see. Stripe supported countries. Hmm. I think Aussie is among them because I really want to go to Aussie. If it does accept a Stripe, I'ma be there, bro. Yo, Aussie is even number one, dog. That's crazy. I'm gonna be there for sure. Alright, let me see. Let me see. They got something called sick.com, right? For getting jobs in Australia. Mm. Don't pull me into the stream, filthy. I got too much homework. Nigga, fuck the homework, bro. You gotta be on stream. Fuck the homework. Huh. I want to address, bro. Give the phone to your teacher, bro. Hold on, bro. There's no way I can pull this. There's no way I can pull this off. But I'm gonna tell you one thing for sure, bro. Tell your teacher I said fuck. Tell your teacher I'ma diss your teacher though. Cause I can rap. Y'all know I'm a music producer. So I can rap, I can fucking make music, I can make beats. I do a bunch of stuff. Why Stripe? Essential to you, it is. Stripe is crazy. Like that's literally something that is like it's something that I like. I don't want to make this mess. You see, the reason why I'm in Rwanda, bro, is because I had some issues going on, and I had to come back here. I mean, I had to go to South Sudan to fix my stuff, and I had no way out but to be in this fucking country, dog. And then, as soon as I landed here, bro, I just knew this wasn't it for me, dog. Cause they didn't have no PayPal, they didn't have nothing. Like you don't get no money from nobody, and I really hated myself, bro. So, yeah, with that being said, I'm left with 1 year. So I thought, alright, man, I've already wasted some good time of my life. So, what is this one extra year gonna do? Alright, so I'm just gonna sit here for 1 more year because that's when I'll be graduating. After that, then I'll be out of here, bro. And I want to go to a country that has stripes so that I can support myself. You feel what I'm saying? Alright, let's see. Aussie, they got somebody posted a job 7 days ago. Mermaid Waters, Gold Coast, Gold. What the fuck is GLD? Alright, the job is 75 to 77,000 a year. Is this in Australian dollars or this is the actual dollars for the US? Because if that's the actual dollars for the US, and that's a lot of money for a fucking starting job, right? Once if you're starting out, let me see calculator. Yup. All right, give me a sec. Give me a sec. So we're gonna have what 75K. All right, 75,000 divided by 12. All right, so in a month I'm gonna be making 6K. It's not bad for sure. Okay, junior dev. We got wonders for junior dev. Bro, but for some reason, like this stuff is not updated. Like the guy just like 7 days old, bro. Like 7 days old. And what do they need? Over 5 years of what? Yeah, for sure. Man, this is bogus, bro. What the fuck? So they're gonna pay somebody with 5 years of experience. They're gonna pay them fucking 75K, bro. These guys are sick, bro. Let's be honest. 75K all C, right? All CD to USD. The fuck, bro? They can't be paying somebody with 5 years of experience fucking 50K, bro. This shit don't make sense. This don't add up. Filthy, you better help Rokano complete his homework. I ain't doing nobody's homework, bro. Like, bro, I hated the school, I hated high school and all that stuff because of homework, man. I hated it, man. If it wasn't for my parents, dog, I would have been like a dropout long, long, long time. I would have been a dropout, bro. My parents been stressing me about that shit. Alright, let me see. Junior developer. But we're not a junior developer anymore because we can do some crazy tasks, alright? But let's see what's going on. Alright, man. For some reason, these guys don't disclose their money. So somebody, okay, this is Sydney, 75 to 90. All you gotta know is full stack TypeScript developer, junior to mid level developer. All right, that's not bad. High application volume. Okay, what you'll work on a custom HTML rendering system built in house, not tied to any front end framework. Okay. A large shared TypeScript code base across front end and back end, real time system backed by Postgres and Redis. Oh, this is some good tech stack though. Distributed deployments to bare metal infrastructure. Hmm. Alright, they got optimization involvement in. Alright, man, it's a lot of paperwork, man. God damn it, we gotta do a lot of research before we can know the actual point. So the thing is, TypeScript and fucking what? It's all JavaScript, I guess. But again, I don't know, bro. What's going on with Aussie? I wouldn't apply for these jobs, lol. I prefer government jobs. They pay like crazy, for sure. What are they? But do they do like remote kind of stuff, or like do they fly people in? Like, can they fucking like? Let's say I get a job over there. Are they gonna sponsor my shit? So I don't want to. I don't want to pay for nothing, dog. You feel what I'm saying? I don't want to pay for nothing. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I don't pay for nothing, dog. All right, so that should be it. So let's go and work on our payments. Still, we got subscriptions to work with. Depends on your visa. Hmm. What you mean depends on my visa? Because that's too vague. Like let's say I get a job, like a software engineering job. So are they gonna fly somebody out there? If let's say they say it's like the one hybrid, not hybrid, but the one on site. It's like on site. I don't know, cause if I can look up something in LinkedIn real quick, just give me a sec. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Let's see what's going on LinkedIn. Just give me a sec. All right, let's see. Ooh, jeez. All right, let's say, bro. Y'all see how Australia is just here, bro? Hi, buddy. Was good, man. Yeah, like if you have a complete work visa, they can apply for you if it's approved. Hmm. Hey, can you bring your family along? Like, if let's say you have like a spouse, can you bring them along with you? All right, bro. They got like fucking 580, 550. I mean, 358 on Friday, y'all. On Friday, bro. Can't even think straight. 2 days ago, 100 applications already. Jeez, this is Aussie dollars, which is 100K for front end developer, bro. What the fuck? 100 to 50 to 150K for a front end developer. Bro, like all the bro, right now I'm a fully functional front end developer, full stack actually, but still I can't even land a single job, dog. Alright, front end developer, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. But for some reason I can't see the money. I don't want to see the money, bro, before I apply. Because a lot of people are saying we should just tap easy apply. I don't know if that's true, but I don't know, dog. Let's see the requirements. All right, this is the first one. Okay, they need 3 years of experience. Okay, now I see why. Exposure to the cloud. Yeah, for us, we've kind of worked with AWS. Yeah, we've worked with AWS. Curious about us starting to work with AI or machine learning products. This is why the money is going crazy. Because how the fuck is a front end developer, but all of a sudden I'm seeing a bunch of stuff that don't even require front end development? Like some companies just don't know what to put in their fucking stuff. Like, what do you mean it's a fucking front end engineer? All of a sudden I'm seeing AWS. All of a sudden I'm seeing AI and ML. I don't know, bro. Excited by ownership, impact, and okay, bro. You can have it all, bro. I'm not gonna read all that shit. Let's see what else we're gonna deal with. Bro, what's going on with Australian stuff? Like, I'm seeing 3 to 5 years of experience for new developers, or I don't know, as a front end developer or full stack developer, proficient in TypeScript, solid in man, I know whatever. All right, exposure to AWS, Lambda, EC2, EKS, RDS. What the fuck? Yeah, I want like these guys want an engineer that knows everything, bro. Hey, bro, I know Python, but currently I'm learning core JavaScript topic like loops, functions, recursions, but bro, I'm still facing problem. I'm not getting an approach to solve the question three. I don't know. I don't know what you mean by question three. You mean on LinkedIn? I mean on LeetCode. I don't do LeetCode, bro. I'm gonna start next week though, because I have final exams on Wednesday. Oh my god, we're doing final exams on Wednesday. We're saying bye bye to year two. We're saying year two bye. And then in October we start in year three. Yeah. Feeling like a big boy. Alright, man. If you have to say that you have experience, even if you don't have, they want lies. Oh, okay, for sure. I've been avoiding such things though. Whenever I see like 3 years, I'm like, alright, man, I'm not doing that. Like, okay, 12 hours ago, this is not bad. They want software engineer or TypeScript or React Node, React Native. Okay, what if you know all of them? 2 to 5 years of professional development experience. Wow. But there's no room for entry levels, bro. Let's look for entry level. Let's see. Entry level. Let's sort the results by entry level. Um Salary, I want something that's like above let's say above 80K. This should be a good range. Alright. So that should do it, right? If we look at it. This one week ago, okay. Bro, what's going on with Australia? I think these guys really want AI now, right? Is AI booming now in Aussie, bro? Is AI booming that side? Wait. I wanna kill this bitch. Yeah, bro, I just killed a fucking mosquito, dog. That's it. Um, I think you have to just lie, bro. I think you have to just tell lies. Okay. We're just gonna do that. Let's handle the subscription thing, and then we can continue working on our application. Let me see. Dairy bucket. Bro, we haven't touched Dairy bucket in a while because we've been juggling with payment providers and stuff like that. Let me just clear this backend. Or I'm just gonna say npm run dev. Get a front end, npm run dev as well. Okay, so we have the backend and the front end running, both of them. Let me open up front end. Okay, port 301 is in use. 300 what is in use? So we gotta open a new one. All right, yo, Soda, but you don't have our own LLM, but companies are suddenly adopting it first. Hmm. Yeah, bro. Building your own LLM is another different type of consistency of trying to lock in. So this is my application, my boys. This is my application for selling music beats, selling beats. All right. So let me see the upload section. So like I said, I'm trying to like destructure the entire architecture and just build my own architecture, right? Yeah, because man, for some reason, this monolith won't do it for me. I want to actually switch to I want to switch to microservices, right? So I'm just gonna keep this running in the background. Yup, let's go to this layout the tsx. Oh my god, so we just gotta change this to payment provider, just to say payment instead of having that BS generated, whatever. We're just gonna say payment with ls lemon squeeze. I'm just gonna keep it as simple. All right, so we should have it changed there. Yeah, so as I was saying, bro, every country, right? Let's say South Sudan right now. If they want to fucking get a Stripe to work in South Sudan, it's a lot of things that they will have to like put in place for Stripe to work in South Sudan. So it's like, bro, sometimes I don't blame these companies because mostly it's the government that is stopping them from operating. It's not like they just decide to cut y'all off. I feel like it's the government that's going crazy. You would get a job here as a full stack dev. Yeah, I would get a job there as a full stack dev. Hopefully, my boy. That's what I'm planning to do, anyways. If I get the job, I'll be the happiest, right? I don't know why does it still show. Why does it still show that? It's strange. Okay, let's. Okay. I'm actually not currently actively applying for jobs, but I'm gonna do that eventually though, because that's it, man. As soon as my savings run, as soon as they run down the drain, dog, you will have no option but to try to get a job, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get a job eventually, but not now though. All right, so data bucket for some reason. All right, we just gonna take this off. Let me see. Let me try to go. Let me go back to home. Bro, I like this the battery smooth thing. Like it literally just makes the entire application feel smooth. Just y'all look at that, bro. Y'all look at it. It just all right, so getting started or the register. Okay. That's gonna be it for now. I just wanted to showcase it. Like the reason why we're doing this payment stuff is because we don't have payment currently. We just have like a placeholder. I would say it's a placeholder payment thing, which is not like ideal, right? For like a developer, man, you gotta do something that's like not outside the norm, rather. Yeah, I think Stripe is part of Swift payment for business. I don't know. Is South Sudan part of Swift? Nah, South Sudan is part of Swift, right? I would say it's part of Swift, but Stripe doesn't operate like that because even Rwanda is part of Swift, but it's barely, not even barely, it's not completely supported in Rwanda. So that's why I'm using something like Lemon Squeezy, and Lemon Squeezy has been recently acquired by Stripe. So acquired meaning is part of Stripe. So you indirectly using Stripe if you already have this. So I just don't see the reason why Stripe wouldn't directly support Rwanda and whatever. I don't know, bro. Yeah, we're going crazy, bro. First of all, bro, I gotta take a second to say thank you, bro. Yeah, I barely say thanks because, man, you guys are like, every time I say thank you, we keep going. You see that? It's like, okay, it's getting repetitive. I'm saying thank you. Look, y'all look at it. It's 487. Right now, if we get like 13 more, it's like 500. Get me to 1K and yeah, start making money. You feel me? Get me to 1K, start making money. I'm gonna lie, bro, because I'm still gonna reinvest the money back into my, whether it's my setup or my. You feel me? I don't know. I solved 3,000 problems, things I've learned. I like this guy's content though. I like this one too. And my YouTube, bro, is like the biggest distraction to me. Cause the moment I get on YouTube, I'll tend to just have 1 million things to like. I want to look at this. I want to look at this. Now I don't even get anything done. As you can see, like 1K loading up next for sure, bro. Like y'all look at this, bro. Y'all look at the consistency, bro. I can't even lie to you guys, man. We deserve this, bro. Look at the fucking consistency. Like we've been streaming for fucking 35 days straight. Like, bro, y'all can't fathom that, bro. And if you guys look at like I don't know, my top most performing content, y'all would realize it's like, alright, I think it's this payment via with Stripe thing. It's like 5 hours, dog. Y'all shouldn't worry about this though. This 94 views is the one that's like after the stream, after the fact. But the actual views is this, which is 90. I mean, which is 1,500. 1.5K, right? This is just like after the fact. After the stream, we only got 94 views, which is not bad at the end of the day. It's like every view counts because that's a human being, dog. I'm not gonna look at 94 people and not acknowledge them. You feel me? Do you watch Gerhard? Oh, who the fuck is Gerhard, my G? I do not know who the hell that is. Let me see, Gerhard. I think I do watch him without knowing. I barely master people's names. Who the fuck is Gerhard, bro? Damn, this dude got so many subs, bro. Who the fuck is this dude? Is he the person you meaning? Gerhard? Geohard? He's a programmer? Geohard? I don't know. Let me see. Geohard. Hmm. He's a programmer. I don't know, bro. I don't watch. I think I watch him, but maybe I just don't know the actual name. Yeah, I just don't know the exact name. So, hmm. Let's go to subscriptions now. Let's see. We have a test product. Okay, let's work on the subscription. For subscriptions, you could listen for subscription created. All right. So let me open Stripe, an instance of another Stripe. I mean, lemon squeezy. Sorry, that's him. But look up George Hot's archive. What does it do? Ooh, let me see. George. Okay, I think George Hot's whatever Hot's archive. Oh, this dude is massive, bro. What the fuck? This dude is crazy. I don't watch him, but yeah, I like what he's doing. He's also streaming. That's crazy. He's been streaming to fucking 28,000 people.
Good morning. All right, so we got a mobile streaming setup today. Markets. Okay? So then you'll have people say something like, well, we should have rent control. Right? Things do not do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna check him out. I'm gonna check him out after the stream. Oh my god. Problem solving and working on his self-driving work. Oh, okay, for sure. And that's what I'm trying to do too, bro. Like I'm just trying to like put myself out there, but without sounding like a guru. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't want to sit here and act like I'm gonna be a fucking guru. It's like, bro, some people just make you feel like, bro, they out of touch with the reality. It's like somebody was talking about some shit of recent. It's like, bro, if you're not making $1 million, bro, you're not fucking human. Like if you're not making $1,000 every single day, you like, bro, what the fuck, bro? Some people just forget completely when they get money. It's like they just assume like everybody else got money. You understand? For sure, bro. It's not everybody that got the money like that. It's crazy. I feel like, man, we all gotta start somewhere, dog. Y'all gotta be humble, man. Y'all gotta stay blessed, man. It's like if you get it, alright, that's cool. If you don't got it, then you gotta get off your ass and work. Don't make excuses. Just go work. I feel like that's the best advice you can get, my boy. Alright, let me see what else we gotta deal with. Just give me a sec, bro. What are we doing in the layout? Okay, so now let's check out how they gonna take subscriptions, right? So I always spend most of my time in docs, right? Everything I wanna master, everything. Get started with creating the API. Let's see. What was the customer portal? I said something like that. Now how to set up or use this, create an API keys, authenticated, whatever. I already know that. I already know these. Hmm. Alright, taking payments. I think that's what we should take. Taking payments. I think I already did that though. Can we look for subscriptions? Alright, let me say subscriptions because I just want to save my time real quick. Subscriptions, from what I know, is we gotta create. Okay, let's hit this. Let's hit that subscription. Okay, so this is what we are looking for. Instead of one-time payment, right? Because if we go and look at our store, we look at our products, we shall realize that we got like subscriptions and all this stuff on this. So I'm just gonna delete these ones. I'm gonna delete them. Give me a sec, because they just look so fucking complicated. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one single product. Yeah, one single product, and then it will have different variations, right? Or different variants. Okay. So charge ongoing or recurring fee for your products or services. We're gonna have subscriptions. All right, then we can set the price in per month. All right, and then creating subscription products. Easily set up a subscription based product to start earning recurring revenue. When adding a new product, be sure to select the subscription option under the pricing selection. From there, you'll have the option to select the product's price. Okay, enables. Additionally, if you'd like to add a free trial to your product, simply enable the option and set the free trial length. You can create subscription with yearly, monthly, weekly, daily billing intervals. Know that month length of billing period can be over. All right. Now, subscription cycle. When purchased on trial, the subscription has started on trial and is awaiting its first scheduled payment. All right. So I think if we were to put the same design, let's open Excalibur. Okay, if we're going to open this, right? Just give me a sec. We have like 1 million stuff going on in the Scarlet Draw, bro. You guys know we'll be going crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna take a second and do this. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Then we're gonna text something like this. So let's say this is gonna be our first tier, right? And then we're gonna have like three of them. Let's put this. So we're gonna have like this, right? So this is gonna be like the free tier, right? We can start with the free tier, and the free tier can have like, let's say a producer can upload up to like 10 bits, right? Just from 10 bits, then boom, they're flagged to fucking buy a subscription, or maybe we get them kicked out. All right, simple as that. And yeah, we revoke the access they have for our application, right? Makes sense. And then okay, maybe we can allow them like 5 days of just having our application, but they cannot upload anymore because wow. Yeah, and then we're gonna have the second tier of subscription. I want to keep them super simple, right? The second tier can be the most popular one, right? The most popular one can be like we can say like we can call it professional, right? Let's just call it pro for now. So we can have like pro, and the pro tier can be like $99 per year, right? Yep, per year. Or another variant of the pro can be if it's $99 per year, that means it's what? I literally I can't have a calculator near me. Let's say that means we're gonna have 99 divided by 12, right? That means it's gonna be like $10 per month. I don't know. I just don't feel that. I don't feel that, my boys. I feel like we can make it like, all right, we can have the pro to be like $20 per month, or maybe $25. Yeah, I feel like $25 makes sense to me. $25 times 12. And then per year we can make this one 300, right? All right, so where's the rest of dog? I can okay, let's erase this. Ooh, you just touch it, okay. All right, so we're gonna have this, and then we're just gonna have this as $300. All right, the pro version can be $300. That's yearly, right? The variant is yearly. And then the next one can be like a more affordable one. So the more affordable one, we can have it like, what's the difference between your side and other sides that are already there in terms of charges and fees? All right, that makes sense. So if I can open the side that, you see, I have a few competitors. I have like four competitors. I think three or four competitors. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if I can show you, we have like four competitors. And let's click start selling. Okay, to redirect us to what's here. Choose your path. All right. So these guys have the starter package, which starts off at like yearly. Let me see. Okay, per year they got like per year they got starter package, which is $20, close to $20. Then they got the growth package, which is 79, which is $80. And then the professional package, which is like $200 per year. And now look at what they say. They got like website with customizable domain, YouTube content ID monetization. I don't know if this should be anything that they should sell to you as like a fucking pro version. Cause what the fuck you mean I'm gonna be monetizing with content ID? I don't know. Cause this is like the biggest competitor. Like right now, these guys last year they made close to $3 million. I mean, not 3 million, $300 million. That's how much money is in this field, dog. Um, let me see. I think ChatGPT has even knowledge about what I'm talking about. All right, let's say Okay, what did I say here? Hold on, give it a sec. Okay, no problem, no problem. Let me just bring this. How much in total revenue did BeatStars bring in last year? Right? Let's say last year. Let me try to see what's going on. I think it's gonna give us a correct answer. I think it's 300 million, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, 15 million. But those people posted on their fucking Instagram that they made 300 million. But it's not bad though. If they made 300 million, if they made 15 million dollars in total revenue, bro. If this is how much they made in total revenue, I can say if we can make just a percentage of that as a competitor, as a new competitor in the market, that will put us at some crazy point in life. Let's be honest, right? This is like 15 million. If this is like three, this one, okay, this like what? Three zeros. It's 1.5. All right, this is how much money, bro. This is like crazy. I don't know if you guys can fathom this, dog. It's 15 million. All right, 15 million times, let's say we make a percentage. Let's say we just make even like 2% of what they're making, literally. Not even 2%, bro, because we too ambitious for that. Let's say we just make even 0.5, right? 0.5, that's like what? That's like a half. 0. That's a half a percent, right? It's not even 1% though. So let's click that. That's 700K, dog. Hold on, that's not even so. There's 7 million. Oh my god, we're too ambitious on that shit, dog. I'm not gonna lie. I think my math is not mathing right now. Okay, let's say Daddy Bucket. Bro, you guys don't know like this name Daddy Bucket is just I love it so much, but for some reason I think Lemon Squeezy has a problem with this name Daddy Bucket. I don't know. Why will they choose you and not them? All right, now relax. We shall come there because that's how the world works, bro. I can tell you there are 1,000 reasons why people can decide to buy from you. I can tell you that because you are you, my boy, and it depends on how you market yourself. You gotta be smart in your brain. You feel what I'm saying? The way you market yourself, yeah, the way you market yourself will determine if. Now here's the thing, people are frustrated with this application because mind you, bro, me myself, I'm part, even right now I'm still paying the subscription, the starter subscription. If I can show you, I still have the subscription, and my subscription is ending up till next year. Next, I think this year is ending, this year September, because I made it last year September. So I am a very active user and I've been making beats for like 5 years. So I've literally been using this same application to sell my beats. And the frustrations that I went through using this application, it's only me that can address and create a better one. Not saying it's only me, there are other people that I've witnessed, and maybe they are not programmers. I don't know. So for me, that's the problem I'm trying to solve. And if I can convince other people that hey, I can solve your problem like this, I'm gonna get a low percent out of that. You feel what I'm saying? So let's see. Let's look at that shit. Let's see. Let's say that bucket makes um a small percent mm, out of that. What will I have to make to bring in at least 1%, right? Ooh, not even 1%, bro. 1% of that is too much. I feel like 1% that, or maybe close to 100K. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe you can make a music making website. Jeez, anyway, bro, is that slow in typing though. Yeah, I'm that slow because I'm talking and typing at the same time, bro. What do you expect my brain to be functioning like a fucking computer? Calm down, my G. Yeah, man, I'm not flexing my fucking speed or whatever, my con speed or whatever the word is, bro. If Beaster is made 15 million and you data market answer list, oh, gets close to 100K. Here's a month. Okay, 1% of that is 150K. 1% of Beaster's revenue is 150. Round number goes 100K. How to reach 100 to this, assuming charges a commission or transaction fees like all this. You see, this is how like real people, business oriented people, this is how they think, dog. You understand? This is how you gotta think. Analyze the fucking competitors and build a better product. Like literally. Cause let's be honest, there is no any fucking music application out there that is leveraging microservices that is going to leverage like dope performance, all right, because I'm a music producer, so, and I'm also a programmer, so I'm going to build my application catered towards performance and towards helping me. Y'all feel that shit? Yeah. Okay, so scenario one, you take 20% per sale, all right, you make 100K, you need total transaction volume 500K. All right, so your platform processes must process 500K in total bit sales from all users. Oh, that's not bad. You sell your own beats. Let's say you average bit price is $30 and you take home all revenue. That means I'll have to sell 3,000 fucking beats per year. That's a lot, dog. I like this. Nah, that's a lot. Oh, you charge producers a monthly fee. 10% per month for premium uploads. Yo. You guys, can you guys rate this? If we can fucking make $10, right? 100K divided by $10 is 10,000 monthly subscribers. Okay, yeah, I know this is highly ambitious. Or 800 um we need 800 subscribers paying $10 per month all year. What the fuck? This is so doable, dog. I promise you, I can literally do this. I can't even lie to you guys. This is fucking doable. Like I know the industry. I mean, my brothers, y'all gotta like vent for me, bro. Y'all gotta realize, like, bro, I know the industry. I mean, dog, we can break this shit. Like, we can get these subscribers if we paying $10 per month. This niggas paying for this shit, bro. I swear to God. Like, let's try to break down their growth. This is actually the most popular, and it's very true. They're not lying on this. Most people are using this growth and this professional one. I promise you. And look at what they're doing. They literally here they sell. Okay, you sell beats with 0% commission. You can have unlimited MP3s and WAV files, collecting publishing royalties. Publishing royalties. I don't know about this. Instant payments, advanced analytics. I don't know what they mean by that because I feel like matter of fact, I think I should log in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because for some reason they're just selling people a lot of dreams, bro. What do you mean advanced analytics, bro? The fuck? They got like some weird analytics that. Yeah, write the idea somewhere, bro. It might be useful. What's my goal to earn in a month? I'll tell you guys. See, this is to show you guys that I've been super consistent on this application, and that's the reason I'm building my own now. See, followers, I even have like 258 fucking followers. I got like 8.5K plays, and I've uploaded a lot of bits. And matter of fact, I've even made a sell on this application of recent. I think I showed y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all, but yeah, I think I didn't, but I did, dog. Let's go to fucking analytics. So look at how the application's already confusing. Now, for starters, I've logged in now. I have to fucking go outside this and go to Studio. Now I have to go to studio.beastars.com. That's like another subdomain where they have like the dashboard, and the dashboard looks convoluted. Like there's a bunch of stuff going on. Y'all see this, bro? Y'all see this? So let's see. Let's see that this what's going on. This is the latest transaction. Let me check it in a sec. So I don't want to expose somebody's stuff, but if I can show you guys in a sec, we made like $30 off of that shit. I don't know. For some reason, I can't see it. So it is what it is. So you guys see. Who's the best hip hop artist? Yo, bro. Yeah, I'm a feature fan, man. I'm a feature fan, bro. I'm a feature fan, man. Yeah. I know the idea, dog. I know the idea, so don't worry. I won't forget the idea. So yeah, you guys get the point. You guys get the gist of it. So matter of fact, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this because this is what I'm going to use to analyze my competitors, so I know how to price my things when I hit the market. All right, good. That should be enough now. That should be enough. Peeping into people's things. Okay, that should be cool. So let's keep working on this. So free trial, active pause, whatever. Hmm. Explain about your business model in the sense about all the ways you might make money. Ghana is better than feature, nah, bro. He's just a hater, dog. The fuck? How you compare Ghana? Like that disrespect is crazy. I feel like Ghana has some good flows, right? Like a blackjack rolling the dice. Whatever, whatever. But man, features the goat, bro. Features the goat, bro. You can't even lie, bro. Features the is the pioneer. Like this dude is the head of trap, dog. This dude is like the final boss of trap music. So anybody that's saying feature, bro, yeah, I don't have to disrespect feature like that, bro, cause I'ma get physical with y'all, bro. What you mean, huh? Feature fell off in your opinion? Nah, Trap Goat. Bro, how can Future fall off, dog? Future can drop an album right now, see go nuts, dog. What are you saying? Numbers don't lie, bro. Let's go to fucking Spotify, bro. Numbers don't lie, my G. I can just say anything out there, my brother. Okay? Y'all gotta back it up. I gotta back it up, man. Y'all can't disrespect my guy Pluto, man. It's my brother, man. Alright, numbers don't lie, bro. You can't say Future fell off, dog. Let's do this. Literally running the game, dog. Numbers don't lie, bro. How the fuck is 52 million people listening to him and y'all saying he fell off? I don't get it, dog. Yeah, not only that's booming his hot daughter. What? Oh, it doesn't mean they are bad, especially at the songs. Artists need time to drop albums. For sure. I feel like people want like rappers that drop the fucking album every single day. And y'all will get bored of the artist. That's the point. It's like something that is worth waiting for is something that people want. You get what I'm saying? Look at this dude, bro. Playboy Cardi. I can tell you this dude is the trashiest artist I've ever had, man. Playboy Cardi is too trash, but people hype him so much, especially dark skinned niggas, bro. Y'all like this dude so much. Y'all be on his dick pause. Y'all be riding him pause, bro. But look at this dude, though. Like I barely even hear like bro, I barely hear a word from this dude. I barely hear a word from this dude, but he's still popping, all right? He's still popping. I'm not gonna lie. He's still popping, but yeah, people people have different opinions. He's been keeping his album "I Am the Music" for like 5 years or something, and people every year were like anticipating he's gonna drop, but he hasn't. So yeah, what's good, bad tech. So finally, when he did, now it's like everybody wants to ride his wave. So I get the point, man. It's like it's just common sense. You feel me? Scarcity, create a scarcity, and you will trend. By scarcity when nobody knows is crazy. Because some people nowadays try to act too cool. They want to be too mysterious. Bro. Like nobody cares. Bro. Nobody knows you, bro. Nobody knows you, dog. They try to be scarce. Nobody knows you. It's crazy. Yeah. All right. Somebody said, Lord Kari for real. Yeah, when Kari is a deadbeat father, dog. That dude is weird, man. I don't like him, bro. I just okay. I might like a couple of some songs like Eva Jordan. Now I can finally sleep. I am the music. Yo, I hate that dude. Like, I don't know whether that's a DJ or some. That dude be yapping so much, he be yelling so much. Swamp Izzo, swamp. The entire song, swamp Izzo, swamp, swamp. I'm like, what the fuck? Free throw, free throw. Dude is so weird. God is weird though. I mean, like I have bro got in a fight with Kai Cenat. I don't know. Kai Cenat, these dudes be calling Kai Cenat to stream their music and shit. I feel like, man, the streaming game is now like the one taking over, dog. Like the streamers are now like the new rappers. Like, you feel me? You know how the wave when people used to like rappers, it's like they're not cool like that no more. Your rappers want to be with the streamers now. It's like everybody trying to stream these days, dog. It's crazy. Crank up is lit. I can tell you. Let me tell you my favorite. My favorite song is that one with Kanye West, right? Go that vultures thing, right? Is it vultures? Carnival, yes, carnival. She run her dick like a carnival. Go around, yeah, sound like. Alright, I'm gonna explain it, bro. So explain your business model in the sense about all the ways you might make money. Yeah, my boy, don't go and steal my business model though. Alright, I'm gonna explain my business model right with illustration so you guys can see. Matter of fact, let me check if my mic got like I don't I feel like my eyes hurting. Alright, it's cool. So let me put this to the side. Let me show you my business model, like the entire business model, right? So here's the thing: we're gonna have two fucking people. This is the funnel. This is the funnel, right? We're gonna have some like the funnel. This is the first funnel, the second funnel. Now the first funnel is directed towards producers, right? Let's represent it with P, and the second funnel is gonna be represented by A, obviously, right? So these are two things that we are going to be generating money from. Now let's start with P, right? P, we're going to be earning money from the P through subscriptions, right? Because they have to get a subscription or buy a subscription to use our application. Now after they get the subscription, then they can start using our application to upload their own beats. After that, they can also sell their own beats to rappers, to artists, right? Now, producers are selling beats directly to artists. Before they fucking before they start using our application, they have to purchase a subscription. So let's say we're working with like our competitor. Our competitor's like 70. It's like $80 a month, $80 per year. Just give me a second. Let me get a little calculation real quick. So it's like 80 divided by 12. So per month they're charging $6. All right. If we're starting off, let's just put it at 10. I feel like most people be scared to charge higher, but $10 per month should be enough. All right. So every producer gotta pay $10 in order to use our application. All right. After they pay that $10, now they can proceed to selling beats to artists, right? So them selling beats to artists is no longer our business. It's them handling it. Okay, we're handling it as our application, but it's them to decide to sell in any other way they decide. But first they gotta pay the subscription. Now, after they get a sale, for example, the rappers buy a beat from them. Now, every beat they can decide to price their beat as $1,000, $500, whatever. It's their choice. Now, let's say this producer, which is here, is charging artists $20 or $30 per beat, right? So they're making $30 per beat. All right. So the artists are going to remove $30 from their pockets to buy that exact beat, right? Now, in the background, right, without the artist, we can inform them or not depending on the producer. The producer is the one to let the artist know that, hey, the application we are using to make this transaction needs application fees, all right? Outside the fucking subscription that we paid. So that means we're gonna have to take like a percentage. We can take like 1% to make it as service fees, right? Like for lemon squeezy, because we don't want to pay. Because if I can come to lemon squeezy charges Lemon Squeezy. I want you guys to know the entire business model, right? Lemon Squeezy charges $30. I mean, no, not $30. Sorry, charges $50. Not 50, 5%, right? Let's go to pricing. They charge 5%. Yeah, they take 5%. So if Lemon Squeezy takes 5% and an extra 50 cents, right, from every transaction, so we can calculate that as well, and then we're gonna charge it on the producers, not on us now. You feel what I'm saying? Because y'all gotta be smart. It's service fee, they gotta pay, not us. So that means out of the $30 that they're charging, right, we're gonna have to take is it divided by 5%, right? Am I tripping? Is that how it's supposed to be? 5% is like 0.05, all right? So we just multiply 0.05, and then this is like the amount we're going to remove from here. So let's say minus 30, right? Obviously it's a positive number, but you guys get the gist. So this is going to be $28 is what is going to be the money that they will receive um out of the $30. So if the rappers pay $30, is not on the rappers. The rappers will be charged $30 on their card, but the producers will receive $28, right? $28. Remember, they don't have to pay taxes for this though. That us, we shall handle the taxes. All right, the taxes on us. But y'all shouldn't worry about taxes because Lemon Squeezy handles everything. It's not our business. The thing is, a producer will get $28 from every transaction, right? So now we've made money from both the artists who are buying the beats and the producers who are selling the beats. Does that make sense? So let's say we make a transaction of like, let's say from one producer makes like 10 sales. And in this music beat selling scene, bro, people make like crazy money. I promise you, people make like dead money and dead sales, like not dead sales, like little dead sales. But yeah, sales, I mean, not sales with E. Okay, so let me just type future type B. All right, so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Don't I your eyes shine? All right, look at this. Look at this producer. He's called Scoof or whatever. He's selling future type beats. This is like what? This is 27K on YouTube because YouTube is like the most place that rappers go to look for beats. So if they find this beat, which is like boom, booming like this, 27,000. Now, out of these 27,000 people, if just 2% or even just 6 people click on the link, because every producer has a link here. As you guys can see, every producer has a link, and Beatstars is dominating this scene, bro. Beastars is dominating this scene. Every producer has a link. So as you guys can see, this redirects them to their custom domain. Like, look at this. It looks kind of average, bro. I can't lie to you. This is like it's like a WordPress kind of stuff, and they're calling it professional page. We, as Beastars, we're being generous. We're giving y'all professional page. Like, look at this, dog. This is like a bunch of drag and drop kind of stuff. Like, look, it's not consistent at all, but it is what it is. I think it gets the job done. So look at how much is charging for the business on here, right? $29.99, which is like $30. So if 10 people out of these 27,000 people, 10 people decide to buy a beat of $30, let's calculate that. So 10 times $30, that's like 300. That's like 300K, bro. Don't worry about my marketing strategy because I haven't started marketing anyways because I'm going to soon. I need to build like a simple email capture kind of stuff where I just showcase like the application that I'm building, and just try to like get like market whatever, just like how do I call it? Like approve my idea, right? I feel like the competitors are too big to challenge. And yeah, I'm not actually challenging because if you think about it, like I said, if we can get like 1% of that is enough for me. You see, it makes it a long shot. Yeah, it's you gotta be ambitious sometimes, my brother. As you guys know, bro, back when PayPal was dominating, Stripe wasn't existing, right? Stripe was just an idea, and it took only one person to come up and say, "Man," and it's a young person, by the way. I think he's in his early 30s, I guess. He's not even 30 something. I don't know. It took him to just question, like, bro, why PayPal gotta be complicated? Like, why this? Why that? You feel me? And from his knowledge of PayPal, he didn't actually have any computer background or nothing. He was a literal dropout. And him and his brother just decided to build a Stripe. But look at Stripe now. Stripe is booming better than fucking how did I call it? Better than PayPal. And people using a Stripe every single day. Daydreaming. No worries, bro. I love that. I feel like that's motivation, dog. I feel like that's motivation. Yeah, I don't believe in me, huh? That's cool. It's cool at the end of the day. You feel me? If I make even fucking 1K from my fucking sauce, who cares, dog? Like 1K is fucking enough for me. That's still money, dog. Alright, so I think I've just explained most of the part. So that is it. And then if let me show you guys to like prove y'all right? So there is Airbnb, there is SoundClick, and there is okay, there is Soundy, there is Airbeat, there is Soundy, I think it's SoundClick, and there is Soundy as well. So, um, analyze their total sales, right? Their total revenue. Let me show you guys what's going on. And that's to show you that, bro, there can exist a bunch of applications that are similar in the same line of business, and all of us can coexist and make our own sorts of money. All right. I'm a one-man engineer. I don't need to have a bunch of people in my team, but I can still create something that is going to be used by a bunch of people. Right now, as I'm speaking to you guys, I have people that have already signed up that are literally waiting for me to make the application. I can't even lie to you guys. I have producer friends and I have other channels though. Like this is not my only channel. I'm speaking out of experience, my G. You guys think I'm he gave he invested in his tribe after it started popping up. It's like these guys are smart, right? They know when something is gonna pop up. So don't just sit down and say, "Oh my God," I'm just like, "Oh shit." Look, yeah, y'all know like this channel of mine is on a decline. That's because I didn't upload in a while. But y'all can see though, this channel is going crazy, right? And we've been having crazy views. I can't even lie to y'all. I'm put it like the last 365 days. It's like crazy. So even if it's not even those people literally using my application, even me myself using my application to sell my own beats, that's money. Y'all get that? I don't know, cause for BeatStars I'm paying $20. Now I won't have to pay that $20, but I still will make money from using my own application. And that application is I'm gonna use it as well to get a job. Like yeah, father on that, bro. How are you? I'm good. How many subs on that account? This account is like 516, and I have another one too. I have a bunch of channels, dog. I have a bunch of channels, like a lot, and I just don't use them though. That's the funniest part is I don't use them at all. Like if I can show you, I don't use them. Like look at that, dog. Like you know what's funny is that I have channels that I just abandon out of just like, alright, I'm bored. You get it. Uh, so I have a bunch of channels. Yo, bro, what's going on? What happened with the purchase controller? Oh, Excel Blade. Oh, we fixed it, bro. We fixed it. I think you did. You are not there for the previous streams, but we fixed it. Let me go back and show you. So this is go to check out. We can click. Remember the redirecting thing that was getting stuck. Now it's not stuck anymore. It's opening the model, and we can proceed to fucking make a transaction. So let me change this real quick to like Rwanda because I don't want to feel all that US stuff. Let's say zero, say like zero fucking I think anything can work though. All right, let's just pay. Yeah, bro, I fix it, dog. You don't know, bro. I went through. Good job. Thanks a lot, bro. And if I could show you like what the problem was, bro, the problem was so simple to the point where I was just questioning if I'm just dumb or I'm just learning, dog. All right, then we get redirected after we purchase. Thanks for the purchase, man. And then once we check our email, we are sent the transaction email, the receipt and everything. We got here like the money, the amount and stuff. Told you you can do it for sure. I feel like that day I was like, man, I was fried, right? So my brain couldn't handle like the pressure, I guess. So yeah, after I did a bunch of like documentation checks and I went to like I literally like I destructured everything to the point where I left everything without functionality and then I just brought it back again and then it worked. So and the main problem was actually from our backend, and it was the purchase controller for sure. The purchase controller was not reading the variant ID was actually a number, but it was supposed to be a string from the start, right? The variant ID was supposed to be a string from the start. And as you can see, we're switching it to string, right? It could be a string, it could be a number, depending on what's given to us here. I just added it in the .env just to like keep everything abstracted. But at the end of the day, the stuff worked. And then another thing was in the checkout here, the types that we're sending, the attributes. We had a bunch of issues here, right? I think we had like typos everywhere. I don't know if I remember, but we had a lot of errors that we had to fix. So yeah, and according to the docs, right, you have to have this attributes thing. Then you need to like have your own custom redirect URL if you want to add it. But you could leave it though. We can even put this preview to false, and then we shall not see the stuff. So it was simple, man. Good job fixing it. Simple bugs means I swear to God, bro. The bug was like, so I'm glad I fixed it. But yeah, now we're gonna go into updating the subscriptions and stuff, and that's the thing. Everything should be okay now. Everything should be okay. And mind you though, I had to scrap everything like I said. So everything that you're seeing here is something that I rewrote again. But after that, it's like I did it for like a one-time payment thing, right? Because I didn't want to like go through the stress of having to deal with the the entire subscription flow. So I had to first do it with one-time product, right? Which is this test product. And all I did was just take the variant ID. Yeah, it seems different from before for sure. It is for real, bro. And this is the redirect URL. Takes us to thank you page. I think that should do it. So that's the thing. We've been like spending time talking about our business model and all that stuff, but it is what it is. So yeah, bro. So that's the stuff. Let me try to go back here. So I'm trying to just make this simple thing because here's the thing. I'm not. So some people like they don't understand what I'm doing, right? Like I said, I have my application data bucket thing that I want to finish, but at the same time, I don't want to do anything with that data bucket on stream because I got like sensitive data. I don't want to leak. Yeah, feel me? So I'm using this simple thing to destructure everything, and then once I go to like the coffee store or just out off stream, I can just focus on putting the exact functionality into my application. Yeah, I get the point, right? And another thing is, I think you were not there yesterday when we were talking about. Oh my god! When we were talking about the architecture, I'm planning to change my entire architecture to event-driven architecture using microservices. Because currently I'm using a monolith, and the monolith is not really working for me like that. Because if I have one problem, then the entire application is down and I don't want to deal with that. So, and then let's say, for example, our services will handle everything because every service will have its own database, will have its own events, will have its own tech stack. I feel like we can just stick to Node.js with PostgreSQL or Node.js with also MongoDB, or at the same time try to introduce Python for like for like bit modeling. Let's say we want to change audio. Yeah, it's a bit complex though in terms of async and auth for sure. And the auth itself, we shall have to we shall have to configure our own auth with JWT. I think that's the best solution because using Clark, bro, it gets us tied to their database, and it's like our users have to exist in somebody's somebody else's database, and I don't fathom that, man. You get it? So we shall have to do a little bit extra work or go an extra mile, but that will a way to solve validate the JWT in other services, and a way to also validate that JWT in all other services. It's even going to be easier because if we're using microservices, it will be easy. Like when we're using like message brokers, all they have to do is just all they have to do is sorry, man, my background is fucked up, bro. All they have to do is just we have to cache, right? We have to just find a way to make the JWT communicate. Like we can easily use the same JWT to authorize, like let's say user service, and at the same time the bid service and the marketplace, whatever. It's gonna be easier. I think it's better than the monolith itself, for sure. Cause yeah, I know it's a bunch of stuff, but I promise you, it's gonna make my work easier as well. Cause I know what I'm gonna be tackling, right? Mm-hmm. I know what I'll be tackling. Like, let's say we start with this, right? For sure. Like now, this bit service, we already have this bit service. We don't have to recreate this from scratch. So already we have one that's tackled. We already have the functionality to handle bit uploads. Database already MongoDB. We have already S3 storing the audio files, and we have. I think we have the only thing we shall have to add is just these events to trigger when the producers uploaded a bit, and for the metadata as well. And then the event that will be consumed will be validates producer permissions for uploads. So we shall have to validate if the producer has the permission to upload a bit in our platform, right? So the tech stack, we can keep it Node.js, and yeah, we don't have to include Python here. But I would like to include Python when it comes to, I think when it comes to streaming, right? I'll have to include Python because Python is also good. I guess I don't know about Go being high for perform. I mean high performance. Yeah, I know it's like because of the concurrency, like the multi-threading, right? But I don't know, bro. It will depend. It will depend. So that's the thing we're working on of recent, and I'm going to change. I'm going to switch slowly by slowly. Like before we go live, we shall have everything configured. So let's figure out how to put that subscribe. I don't know if that should be our target now. After we just finish the subscribe thing, I don't know. I think the subscribe thing is not gonna be our it's not gonna be our aim for now, for sure. Because the subscribe thing will only make sense if we already have a user, right? So we shall have to initialize a database, and then we shall have to have the auth already in place, so that we can just have users in our database, and then we can use the same users to access the subscription. So I think I'll just stop here with lemon squeezy because it's getting super repetitive as far as the video is concerned. As you guys get it, yalla human too. So I don't want to bore you guys with the same exact things. We have to like try to include some variations. So I don't know if you've seen the application that I'm talking about, but if not, then I'm gonna show you in a second. CD front end. I think it should be front end, and what npm run dev. Alright, that should do it for the front end. What else? We gotta go and run the backend. CD backend and run npm run dev. All right. Good luck, man. Thanks a lot, bro. Bro, I have super idea for you for your next project. What would it be, my boy? What would the fucking next project be? Oof. Thanks a lot, my G. And I'm glad you guys are here to witness every single thing, bro, that we're building until when we scale it, bro. Check what? You mean the Discord? Yeah, do you mean the Discord though? Is that what you mean? Is that what you mean? I think if it's Discord, I'm gonna check it out. Check what? Check what? Oh my god. Oh, but what should I check? No URL. What? Check URL. Which URL, bro? I'm confused. Alright, man. So, I think we're gonna have LinkedIn. I want y'all to check out LinkedIn. Y'all can send me a connect though, and we can connect and chill if y'all want. Cause you guys are already in Discord though, which is the most interesting thing. I think I have the LinkedIn linked up there. Oh my god, using LinkedIn linked up there sounds crazy. Where did you send the URL, my G? Because I'm not seeing anything here. Let me see our Discord server. Bro, y'all can see, bro, like, look at that, bro. We got 66 members already. Crazy. It's crazy. So, yeah, I don't know, bro. You not on Discord for sure? What are you doing, my brother? Why you not in our Discord, bro? Okay, so my boy Axel, I want to ask you a question, bro. What's your experience like? What's your experience as far as coding is concerned? Because I haven't heard from you in a while, so I want to know. You might be probably busy doing something, so you know, I want to know. I want to know what you got going on. So I want to know. This is repeating itself. All right, let's. I'm a student. You're a student. We all students, bro. I just want to know, like, y'all coding, y'all doing something, y'all working on something. Y'all working on something? Oh my god. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Bro, LinkedIn is cringe and lame platform, but hey, we gotta be there for real, man. You see the thing I hate about LinkedIn, bro. Let I love to talk to y'all, man. You know the thing I hate about LinkedIn is just the fact that everybody is super positive. Like every time I go on there, I'm thrilled to inform y'all I got a job here. I'm super excited for this. And then you got like the Y Combinator boys spamming everything. Like you find them, oh my god, we just landed this fucking thing. We made this with AI. It's like AI revolutionized this, AI this, that. Like, bro, shit is so fucking cringe, dog. And everybody is too positive. I even asked somebody, like, why is everybody too positive on LinkedIn? Because am I not allowed to say, mom, like, if something is trash, I should I say it's trash? For real, you find everybody, I'm thrilled to do this. I'm fucking, um, man, I would like to inform y'all this, bro. Fuck all that, bro. For real, bro. I'm glad, man. Like I don't know. LinkedIn is just like for you to flex, man. But they got that money, yeah, for real. We're not gonna hate on them though. But some people, money cannot make them unlame. Money cannot unlame them. If you ever do B2B, what is B2B? Business to business. What's that? You mean business to business or B2C, business to customer? Oh, C2B, customer to business, like SaaS B2B. What's business to business? Because what business can I provide a business? I don't know. Or like right now, what Lemon Squeeze is doing, it's a business to our business, right? So it's B2B. Makes sense. I don't know. Like, what what other application can we build that is like B2B? What can we provide to a fucking company? I don't know. Yeah, my project is B2C, of course, and my business to the customer, correct? That is correct. But B2B, what can I provide to a company? And which company can we target? Right? Hmm. Okay. Mm. But when you have other apps, but B2B, you need to target them on LinkedIn. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That is true, bro. That is true. Very true, man. LinkedIn is just man. LinkedIn is a glorified, like it's a place where people just go to yap, dog. For real, we just gotta use it, man. If it wasn't for no job, nobody was gonna waste their time, dog. So, yeah, cause bro, I be seeing AI slop everywhere, like time and again. I build this with AI, AI this, AI. That's like, bro, calm down. Damn, so boring now, boy. Ooh. Boy, so today we've had like a literal yap session with little to no coding. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Plus, I started the stream late because I had to go and get my tax identification number. So I had to go and get my TIN, dog. I had to go and register my company, but they said it will be out by Monday. So I have up to Monday to go and get everything done. And yeah, hopefully we get our application, our company approved. 6% from my college selected in Microsoft internship. Crazy. Hmm. Hmm. Have they been doing like AI slop? Have they been doing AI slop? Oh god, there's so many AI tools, man. It's crazy for real. Hey man, thanks a lot, bro. Cause man, some people been too negative in life, dog. Man, thank you, bro. Thanks for motivation, man. I'm not selected. Don't feel bad, my boy. You gotta grind. I know you'll make it someday, for sure, man. Thanks a lot. It means the world to me, bro. I feel like, bro, even if we don't make it coding wise, we're gonna make it with YouTube. We're gonna make it with my brothers. Like, y'all turn up to me every single day means the world to me. I feel like I've made it already. You get it? Because back I used not to have a single person in my chat. Now it's brothers with me. It's y'all with me. Like, that's enough, bro. No employee can give me that sort of happiness. I can't. I mean, no fucking employee or employer, whatever, can give me that sort of happiness because it's like something I built from ground up. Hmm. So that's gonna that's gonna be enough of the yap session, bro. Like I always want to keep you up, like in my mind that bro, this guy's been with me like that. Yeah, you feel me? You guys been with me like that. It's not like we just met today, bro. It's 35 days of literally being on stream every single day. It's like if you talk to somebody 35 days straight, bro, y'all gonna be friends. That's how it works. Y'all gonna be friends. It's like I can't talk to you 35 days straight if I don't know you, dog. And if I don't know you on the 30th day, then that means we're not meant to talk or meet in the first place. Yeah, so that's gonna be my thought process, my brothers. And yeah, I don't know, bro. Yeah. See you, bro, for tomorrow, man. I'm also gonna go off now. I'm done for today, bro. My background going nuts, crazy, noisy. Yeah, but I'll go to the coffee store and continue working on my application. So yeah, see y'all when I implement this stuff tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we're starting the stream early, bro. I'll pray you guys turn up early though, because tomorrow we're starting at like maybe 11 a.m. my time, 11 a.m. my time, or maybe 12. Yeah, I think 12 noon will be better because I'll have to do like small housework. So, I think 12 noon my time should make it. So let me see. Let me put y'all on game. So tomorrow is like 12 noon Rwanda time. So if it's 12 to Indian time, because most of the people like telling me to say Indian time. Alright, it will be 3 p.m. in India, which is not bad. So y'all can sort it out, man. I'm gonna call it a day, dog. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on Discord? Yeah, man, you guys gotta turn up for the stream tomorrow. Join the Discord. Link is up there. See y'all tomorrow. Alright, I'm gone. 2 hours and fucking. All right, man. Stay safe, my brother. See ya.